Good morning, brother. Do you guys hear me just fine? Oh, do you hear me just fine, or it sounds ridiculous? All right. I see where that echo's coming from. Hello, hello, hello. Damn it. I'll fix it right now, boys. Hello, hello. Damn it. I am so stressed out now. Well, regardless, what if you do understand anything I'm saying, I made sure to hop on a little bit later than usual because I see that prices are tracing. I wouldn't want to hop in and sell just yet. I do feel like we're going to retrace big time. Just it's not really a setup that I'm looking for. So up to the moment, I'm being patient. Trying to connect this mic, I fucked up all the settings. I don't know why my speakers are replaying my voice. It's making no sense. Alright, the echo should be gone. Good morning, bro. Alright. Let me see if I could get the audio to work now, because the audio is not working for like YouTube videos I was playing. And this might be one sad silent stream if we don't got some audio. Alright, that does work also. Alright, so nothing's changed for you guys. I did not get to set up my headset. I kind of just want to turn it off, and I don't know. Does my voice sound loud and clear? Oh. You can sing. You are sounding much better. What does that mean? Much better as in, why can I sing? As in my voice sounds way better in this mic that I'm using right now? Or what sounds way better? I'm feeling absolutely great. You don't have the echo and the music is coming through all right. That sounds absolutely amazing. All right, let me go to GJ. We are on GJ. Let's start off on the monthly. Sheesh, that monthly candlestick. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. All right, let me open up my own audio. I want to see how I sound myself. I feel like this mic, if I turn my head too much to the right, you guys aren't gonna hear me. You guys hear me very clear when I'm actually talking into the mic, so I'm gonna try talking into the mic as much as possible. Jeez, that monthly candle sounds absolutely amazing. Alright, let me go to GJ. We are at GJ. Let's start off on the monthly. Jeez, that monthly candlestick. Alright, no. I think audio is coming in perfectly the whole time. So we're not struggling on audio. You guys hear me perfectly fine? Wait, I didn't even hear the music when I just barely replayed my thing. Jesus Christ. Alright, let me open up my own audio. I want to see how I sound myself. I feel like this mic, if I turn... Yeah, it sounds perfect. Alright, what it do, everybody? I apologize for that. I got a new headset. I didn't get to connect it right now. I thought I'd be able to connect it quickly, but... comes with like a box that you connect and like I don't even know, dude. Fucking wireless headset beat me this time. Oof. You guys know what it is though. We out here. We ended up purchasing the challenge. I'm not sure who's here specifically because they're ready to pass an FTML challenge. I saw some people that they were messaging me telling me that they were purchasing challenges because they were getting ready to do this little series that I'm getting ready to do, which is I opened up a 100K FTML challenge and I will be passing it live in front of you guys, showing you guys the lot size, showing you guys exactly every single little step that we do when we close, how much we're gonna risk, how much we're gonna, you know, everything. Let me open it up myself over here. FTM. I actually haven't even logged into the account now that I'm thinking about it. I think I'm just kind of scared to open up my stuff in front of you guys. Oh yeah, you see, I was about to open up the account in front of you guys in my Gmail. I need to open that up to here. ¿Qué pasa, papi? You're in. Is it a Steel? It is the Steel series. I'm having trouble connecting my Steel series right now. I just barely connected it. I downloaded the fucking app and made me connect, and it fucked with all my fucking settings where I was speaking into my mic and my speakers that I have like a surround sound set was going off and the headphones was working, but I don't know. Everything's just fucked right now. So I got on a little bit later than usual for this London session. I actually hope that this play doesn't go out. We have a new 4-hour candlestick at 1 o'clock. This 4-hour candlestick is going to close in an hour and 20 minutes. Hopefully in an hour and 20 minutes, this candlestick does not end up all the way up here. Remember, support and resistance act like magnets. So when we bounce from one level, we bounce from levels to levels. You know, if we bounce from one level, you have to be paying attention to the next closest levels. What I'm trying to say is, from here, we're either going here, or from here, we're either going down here. And I know it sounds pretty obvious to say, but I'm saying that that's the next volume push. Like, that's where probably this candlestick, this 4-hour candlestick is going to end. This 4-hour candlestick is not going to end where it is right now. This 4-hour candlestick is going to either end all the way over here, or it's going to end down here, breaking lows, breaking highs, but it's definitely not going to end where it is right now. That would be really weird for price for an hour and 20 minutes to literally not move from here. Especially when volume is going to start coming in because it's the beginning of the week. Let me log into my account real quick. I purchased it like a couple hours ago, and I know they sent it to me. Log into an existing account. I have to go to my Gmail. How's everybody doing though? So we got Blodge in this thing, we got Karmazen in this thing. I know we had somebody else DMing me. I think that was Blodge and Karmazen that were DMing me. I know there was some more guys though. 1 second, boys. 1 second, and then for those who are, I mean, I think at one point for those who are, if I see that we're only like a very, very small amount of group, like we're only 5-10 people. I mean, if we're less than 5 people, I'll probably make a small little WhatsApp group. What am I saying? WhatsApp. I'll make like a small certain group on Telegram or Discord or something like that where we all could be. I could be very on top of those people that specifically purchased this challenge to pass it with me. No, I will not trade S&P 500 for this challenge again. All right, wait, login credentials. It's kind of hard for me to do two things at the same time. I'm starting to realize that. I think it's because of the hour that it is. So I'm usually not bad at multitasker. I'm in, but with the FTMO free challenge. That's perfectly fine, brother. What it do, Mateo? Mateo. All right, I got my login credentials right here. Show credentials. I love how it lets you just copy and paste the credentials. You don't gotta really be fucking around and shit. All right, my server is FTMO server. My login is 902.1245.515. And my password is EMZV2R. You guys are funny if you guys think I actually said my username or password. Alright, I'm logged into my account. Woof, boys, I'm excited. Boy just popped open the Celsius. That's how you know we're about to get ready. Alright. We got 20 people in here. For everybody in here, before we get started, make sure you go and you drop a goddamn like. Drop a goddamn like for your boy. Help support the stream, help support the algorithm, helps support us and grow. And yeah, just if you guys enjoy my streams, leave a like. What am I looking at today? Today really depends on what the setup is, on how much we're going to be risking. If we're going to be risking a full percent, I mean, we're probably going to risk 0.5%. All right, we're probably going to risk 0.5%, and depending on if I really like the setup is how aggressive we're going to be on the trade, basically. Right? First trades of this challenge that we're going to do are going to be trades that we could take losses on with no problem due to the fact that we're just risking up a cushion. So I have a 100K account size. Oh, let me try to, I could pull up my account. I mean, there's nothing on the metrics yet because we haven't even traded, so I don't know if there's any point in me pulling up my metrics. But we're gonna try to rack up a little bit of a cushion. Like I'm gonna try risking 0.5%, maybe 0.5%. We get up 1%, and within 2 days, within that next third day, we might take another 0.5% loss, and then I don't know, we're gonna risk 1%. Like the risk is gonna be dynamic, so you guys need to be really paying attention. I'm obviously gonna make it obvious. I'm not gonna be like, oh, we're hopping in right now out of nowhere. No, I'm gonna be like, oh, guys, today this is what we're looking for, and today we're looking for risking $500, max 1,000. Obviously, max risking 1% per trade, but you know, we're potentially could even be risking 300 and going for a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. We're gonna try to leave runners. The trading style is gonna change a little bit right here because we're lower lot sizes. We're trying to catch higher moves. We don't really care about getting stopped out of $300, $500, 0.5%. 0.3%, even 1% is not going to affect us. So do not be scared to lose on these challenges. It is all psychological. This is a psychological battle. These FTMO challenges are all literally psychological battles. They're all psychological battles of how do you know how to manage price and how do you know when to actually turn on the aggressive switch. Because if you trade winning 1%, losing 1%, winning 1%, winning 1%, losing 1%, winning 1%, because an average trader's win rate is definitely around 50. Right? We're gonna throw an average, definite one number average, which is so hard to throw. Definitely 50 or under 50. Right? It's the risk or reward that makes traders become profitable. Now, my trading average win is definitely around 55, 60, 75% if I'm talking about my whole trading career. Now, when we pull up my stats of how we've done the last 2 months, yes, I'm above 80%, right? I'm above 80% on one and above 85% on another. That doesn't happen all the time. So that like for a person that's hitting them as much as I am right now, I know that I don't see any other people do that type of stuff. Like, and it probably does. They get to do it, but it's not super popular for a trader to be like, I don't do this left and right. That's not the truth, right? Now, what was I gonna say? So if anybody gets lost in my explanation, I am very willing to explain it again, but we're going to use dynamic risk. We're going to try risking lower amounts, trying to build up a little bit of cushion, and then when we start seeing setups and when we start seeing a bias that we really agree on, that's when we're going to be able to start risking our profits, as in we might be up $2,000, 2%. I have a 100K account, if that wasn't clear to anybody. Sorry, I had like a little ear bubble that came out of me. So if we're up 2% or up 2.5% and I really like a setup and I have a determined bias, yeah, we might risk those 2.5% for that next trade, and we won't mind being broken at. The name of the game in the FTMO challenge is surviving. It's surviving. It's knowing how to not blow your account. So it's putting yourself in profits and making yourself, you're so far in profits, or making yourself that you're risking management so well that you're definitely not going to be able to blow the account. And if you do start losing, we're losing small amounts until we really start seeing that trades need to start hitting our favor. And that's when we start upping up the lot size. It's a very psychological battle. I'm very confident we're gonna be able to do it. It's just gonna take patience. Usually when I'm on here with you guys, it's very like sometimes it feels very rushed in my end. Not that you guys ever rush me or say, hey, why are we just here watching nothing? But it feels very rushed on my end sometimes. So I'm gonna try avoiding that, where we're all watching the charts and sometimes there's nothing to watch. That's why I didn't hop onto the market right now at 2:30. I usually hop on at 1:30, 2:30. And we go all the way through it, but I don't want to be watching the market a lot of the time and just having people wait for no reason, because if for the people that have purchased the challenge, you're gonna see how a serious trader trades. Like sometimes, like for example, there was a big chance I wasn't even gonna get on today through the fact that I see that we are at an ultimate high, and I definitely want to see if we're just gonna break the previously weekly resistance right away on the first day and we're gonna keep on being bullish, or is this ultimate highs and we gotta start hitting big retracements. Like it's just certain times that it's not necessary to trade. Now, if you guys have been trading, oh, this is the S&P. What the fuck am I looking at? All right, so, but if you guys have been trading with me these last 2 weeks, these last 2-3 weeks, even this last 4 weeks, man, since this whole win streak has started, the only thing I've been saying, guys, is look at the higher time frames. I know where GJ is going because of the higher time frames. There's people that have been saying, oh, GJ is now bearish, or this is. I'm like, bro, look at the weekly and look at the monthly. We definitely know that we were at this resistance. We melted quickly from this resistance to then just come all the way back up it after just being on a bullish run for the last like 2 years, 3 years maybe. I was like, guys, we're at this level for a reason. We're very bearish. We're very bullish on GJ. Therefore, I've been looking for buys left and right, and I'm still very bullish on GJ. I do accept the fact that it's very, very overextended. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm a little bit passive on the trading style that we're gonna do for the first I call it the cushion phase, the cushion phase of the FTMO challenge, which is racking up, you know, our fucking trades left and right, small amounts, and then just yeah, we start risking those profits and start being a little bit more dynamic with it. I'm in the middle of an MFF challenge. That is perfectly fine. This could still perfectly apply to you. You could literally be in profit and act like this is your first trade, or you could just I mean, these are still going to be my signals. I'm still acting like, so like I was saying, sometimes when I'm on the charts, I feel a little bit rushed just because I'm like, oh, fuck, I really want to send a signal to my group chat, as into my Discord, because I really care about growing the Discord rate. And I really care about growing my Discord, my spreadsheet record. But so when I'm in here sometimes with you guys and I really don't see a trade, I'm still going to be like, fuck it, this is a possible trade. I'm going to take this trade. And it's been playing out, but I have taken losses due to the fact that I was rushing trades. So I'm going to make sure that sometimes I make it very clear to you guys, like today, if we don't see a clear setup, we're not taking the trade. And if we don't see a clear setup, we're going to lower the lot size to something that's going to be like, oh, we're risking $200 to try to make 1,000. You know, a 1 to 5. It's either we get our 30 pip stop loss that doesn't hit and we catch a whole 100 pips, or we're just going to lose $200, because $200 on an FTMO account on 100K does not mean anything. Like, it doesn't mean 1% doesn't mean anything, 2% doesn't mean anything. Therefore, you could easily risk that and not be scared. You can't be scared to go into drawdown. Most of our trades that we begin when we take our trades, most of our trades start off in drawdown. Whenever we start trading, if you guys have been following my signals for the last few weeks, my trades start in drawdown. Have that very clear. A lot of my trades. That is exactly why I start risking. That is exactly why I have my dynamic risk strategy, which is where I hop into price. Boom. Because I trade bounces. Trading bounces is very aggressive, so sometimes you have to give yourself the chance to go into drawdown. So I'll go 0.5%, right? Boom, price goes into drawdown, and I see that my entry wasn't really good, but I still like the trade. I will double the lot size now, where, yeah, I was raising 0.5%. Now I will double my lot size, the exact. So if this was 25 pips, I will now go 50 pips, and I'll give my trade an actual chance to breathe and go into drawdown, and I'll raise my take profit 25 pips. And then if I get the bias correct in this moment, then my trade should hit and my stop loss won't get hit.
And that is a little bit of, that is called the dynamic risk strategy. I call it the dynamic risk strategy. Dynamic risk also, you could be in drawdown and then start scaling into the position to get the full percent if you never hit the full percent drawdown. Yeah, so that's a little bit of the style that we're going to be using for the first cushion trades, and then it's going to turn into trades where we see very aggressive moves, and we're going to start risking our profits. And if we end at break even on our 100K account, we're going to end up break even on a 100K account and wait for the next month to get a new one. But number one rule for those that purchase the challenge to do it with me is you guys don't trade it on your own, because if we're on different numbers, off by more than 1,000, it's going to start messing with your head, and you're going to start doing things that are unnecessary, like trying to risk a little bit more than I'm really saying in a trade. No news today, so markets may be very slow. That is great news. So what does it tell me if the markets, if there's no news today, what does that tell us? That tells us that it's going to be harder for us to have a probability of melting all the way through price. So you got to use those things. Having no news is news. The news is that there's no news. Therefore, us being able to break through price is a harder possibility. If I wasn't trading on a new challenge with you guys when price was all the way down here and everything looked super bearish, I swear to God I would have taken a goddamn buy. I swear to God, like I was looking at it and I was like, nah, I can't really take that shit. But I did not believe that we were going to start melting through all the levels Monday open. And Frank telling me that there's no news makes perfect sense. No news means not a lot of volume coming in, no preset volume, no preset determined actual moves. Maybe this is the battle of the prices, like battle of the buyers, battle of the sellers. No, not a lot of volume means that we're going to range. That's the point I've been trying to get to. No, like obviously if we're not going to go through news, what's the chance that we're actually going to just buttermelt through all of this? And what's the chance that we're just going to bullet fly through this freaking resistance that we've literally been trying to get through since the beginning of since May 23rd, So yeah. No news, have never thought about it that way. 100%, brother, 100%. So you just need to understand, it's like about understanding where price, everything happens for a reason in this world. There's a reason that GJ is at 171 dot whatever the hell it is at, it could be because I'm talking out of my ass right now, but follow my logic. It could be because they run out of goddamn grain on the other side of the world, and now these guys are booming in business, and therefore their stock is supposed to go up 500%, but it's not going to just boom, explode. No, it needs to get there slowly, build up liquidity, take out sellers, take out buyers, build up more liquidity. It actually gets us, like, there's a determined price level that this price needs to get to. And if you know that there's no news and there's not a lot of volume, that means you're going to get rangy. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is my theory, obviously. Whenever I speak something, I always speak in facts, or I always speak, whenever I say something, it's because I know it. That's why I clarified I'm speaking my mind, not speaking facts. I'm a person that's very factual. Like whenever I hear something or I read something on the news, I don't believe it at all until I read everything about it or everything that it has to do with. Like for example, when everybody was on the news saying Trump's going to jail, I was like, who the fuck said that? They're like, Trump said that. I was like, why would Trump say that? And then I did research and I'm like, Trump's the only one said he's going to jail, and the only person that said Trump is going to jail is Trump, and then the whole world is saying Trump is going to jail. I was like, bro. And then a bunch of people, I didn't even have to read the news to know that was so, like, it was like such, like, I don't know, just like people hear something and they believe it. I'm the type of person where whenever I say something, it's because I know it for a fact, and so whenever I hear something, I need to know the facts behind it. And then once I found out that Trump's the only one that said he's going to jail, I'm like, the election's coming up. The last election, he had fucking like $500 million of marketing behind him, and he didn't pay for a cent of it. It was just straight up the news talking about him all the time, and he literally just manipulated the news into giving him free marketing, and then I don't know where he's talking about he's going to jail. I'm like, yo, something fishy here. My point made. Just people believe whatever the fuck they hear. I have a reel coming out very soon, guys. I have a reel coming out talking about ranges. You guys are going to get the sneak peek. I mean, I'm not going to show you guys anything with the sneak peek talk about it. Where I basically tell the audience, I'm like, guys, who the hell told you that you're not supposed to trade in a range? Who the hell, like, stop complaining when we're in a range. If we're in a range, that means you know exactly what's happening. When we reach resistance, we're going to bounce down. When we're at support, we're going to bounce up. So you buy low, sell high, and just play to the range. Very simple. I don't know why the fuck people complain when there's ranges. I trade ranges all the time. My strategy always involves ranges. Ranges are fucking great. You know where price is going. You know where price is staying. You just use it to your advantage. And that's basically one of like the reels I give a little breakdown explanation on. So up to the moment, I don't believe that this is a range. Like obviously it's a range, but now looking at how price is forming right now, I definitely think we could start melting through things. Like when I looked at the 4 hour, or no, it was the daily, was it? Yeah, the daily, obviously, like in my opinion, this daily could definitely fucking reach some lows. Let's throw a fib on this daily. Oh. I need to sneeze. I'm gonna turn off my camera to sneeze. Oh. Jeez, boys. Oh. Jesus Christ. I need to sneeze again. Do I got like paper towel here? I think I do. Give me 1 second, boys. Hey bro, how do you control your emotions when you get into a trade? I mean, I don't control my emotions because my emotions are just my emotions. I don't really, I mean, they tell you to control them, but there's only so much you could really do. Wait, is that my, what looks so bad on my left? Jesus Christ, I feel like, I don't even know what that is, to tell you the truth. Oh, it's my mic. I'm a dumbass. All right. How do I control my emotions? I don't. They're just controlled. Like my emotions are my emotions. My emotions have became my emotions due to the fact of how did I stop over risking? By losing. By losing a lot and learning the hard way. Now that's because that's the type of learner I am. I'm the person that has to learn the hard way. If you're one of the people that have to learn the hard way, then do the dirty work, over risk, over trade, and then see how many times you're gonna lose, see how many times it doesn't work, and then when it starts hurting really bad and you really can't start losing anymore, you're either gonna quit or you're either gonna stay in the game and you're gonna learn. Or you're a person that learns visually, and you're a person that, you know, it's like when think of a good example. Like there's people that goddamn see other people get burnt with fire, therefore they're never gonna play with fire in their goddamn life. And then there's other people that see people burn with fire, and they're like, oh, but I never saw them get hurt, or it didn't look like it hurt too bad. Therefore, they start playing with fire, then they get hurt, and then they never do it again after that. It's like, what the fuck? They could have just done when they saw somebody else, you know? Oh. Let me see. What's up with the music? Alright. So, what do I think you should do if you're a beginner and you're trying to control your emotions during your trades? One of the things that I would do to control my emotions in my trades is not look at the trade. I mean, this was when I was taking longer positions. So imagine that this was my aggressive trade. I see, you know, this is not the trade we're taking right now, boys. I'm giving an example. I would throw my stop loss. I would throw my trade. And what do? You throw an alert right here before your stop loss, halfway down your stop loss. Boom, alert, halfway up to your take profit. So you see when you're going to get to your take profit and understand what's happening, or see where price can turn around before it gets to your take profit. And you close your chart and you just wait for the alerts to hit your phone. There's no point of you watching paint dry. There's no point. Let your stop loss hit or let your take profit hit. But let your stop loss hit. There's no closing early. If you're closing early in trades, you're not even learning how to lose. You're just basically losing on purpose. If your stop loss doesn't get hit, don't close the trade. If you don't like your stop loss, then the next time, choose a better stop loss. If you don't like your trade, the next time, be more patient. Now, I'm the type of person that learned the hard way. We could open up one of my FTMO accounts and you're going to see that there's like fucking hundreds of challenges blown. Not hundreds. I'm giving an example of just like, it's the truth. Like that's the way you learn in this industry. Majority of people, majority of us alpha males, hard-headed alpha males that don't want to give into, you know, learning or into accepting somebody else's word for being right, or trying to be whatever. When somebody tells you it's impossible to always get 10% every single week, and then you think in your head, I could get 10% every single week. I know I can. I've seen it happen. You know, that type of thinking is what sets us back. Morning, the Human Project. What it do? So if you can after an analysis check out UJ, it's about slow of GJ. I used to watch UJ a lot. I've actually been successful in UJ before. I do not mind UJ at all. UJ is very trendy of a pair. That's what I like always say about it. Moves a bit slower, moves a little bit quicker than, I mean, it probably moves like Euro JPY. That's some good advice, bro. Generally, one of us will see the trade play out in your direction after you closed it on one fear. Yes, I hate when that happens. I hate. That's the second thing I hate the most. So I hate when you close a trade out early of fear. It doesn't hit your stop loss and your trade ends up playing out. That's one of the worst things. Another one of the worst things that you could do, I'll do a UJ analysis right now. 1 second, I'm gonna look at GJ. Another one thing that's the worst thing that I hate doing is, imagine I put a long right here. I put a stop loss right here. Whatever, take profit wherever the fuck, obviously the 101. And then I get stopped out, and then it ends up actually going bullish. That shit's ridiculous to me. If you're gonna choose, like for me, I like choosing, because I take one trade a day, one trade a session. I like choosing a little bit more of a generous stop loss of wherever I'm gonna go, especially because I trade bounces. So me trading bounces and trading rejections, it's kind of like, it's hard to always be a perfect sniper and catch when prices actually gonna turn around, especially because there's so many fake out candlesticks. So give a chance for a price to actually give the confirmation candlestick, then liquidity grab, do some other fake out, and then actually fly. So because I take one trade a day, one of the worst things I hate, and this is why my style developed to doing what I do, I always give a little bit extra of a stop loss, given the fact that if I get the bias correct of the night, my stop loss will not get hit, and I am not in this trade. 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 I apologize. I was given an explanation. I'm going to stop throwing the P&Ls up for people that are, probably there's a lot of people that are just watching my screen and they're not listening. But yeah, that's the number one thing I hate. Whenever the price goes into my actual bias favor and I get stopped out actually in that bias. That means you're being greedy, over risking, or just being greedy on like where you want to take profit and where how much you're, bro, yes, especially happens in Asian session. It forms and shit, but I only trade London. How come, bro? Support and hammer at support. This, believe it or not, is looks like a fake out candle. This hammer looks like it's getting ready to fucking. This looks like it's gonna get ready to just wick fill this. I've seen that happen many times before. That doesn't. I mean, I agree that this is a good turnaround candle. It's a good rejection zone, but I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it at all. This move right here kind of gives me a little direction of where I think price is going short term. Right there. Big ass candlestick downwards. Lower high. I mean, lower low form here. Not really. Lower low almost is getting ready to form. I don't know. It looks like a little bear flag also. Think about it right here. Stick. And this is the flag forming. 1 second. Ooh. Why the fuck? Yeah, I think it's gonna get ready to melt a little bit. I don't really think that's a good bounce. I think it's gonna melt 170, 900. I also think it's gonna melt. I think it's gonna melt. Even though this is a great level of support, obviously huge major level of support. I don't know. What about you guys in the chat? What do we got? We got majority buys or sells in here? I want to know what you guys are thinking. I remember always everybody's name, so I'd love to see what type of bias. I don't remember if I got it right or wrong. Yeah, so for the guys who just barely entered, because now we got 28 viewers, we just barely started a new FTMO challenge. I just barely started a new FTMO challenge. This FTMO challenge, we are starting with a couple people that are in the chat. A couple people are starting the same challenge. I'll be showing you guys everything I do on this challenge, how much I am risking per trade, where I am closing, where my runners are, where my stop losses are. We're literally gonna do everything. And I think that I'm also gonna call, if guys, for everybody that's doing the challenge with me, make sure you guys pay attention right now. If I send a signal on the Discord and I am not on live, that trade should not be taken on the FTMO challenge. Is that clear? Do not take my signals that I send on Discord. The FTMO challenge trades are going to be taken live with me live. Why? Because I need to tell you guys what to do when you guys are in the trade, or you know exactly, and I just need to be able to have live feedback from you guys. So if I send a trade to the Discord, that trade is just to be taken. Do not take the FTMO. So like if you don't have another trade and you only have that FTMO challenge, don't take the trade. It's not meant for you. All right, because sometimes if I'm not online and I see a setup, I need to send it because I need the spreadsheets and I need my channel to be able to have a record of the trades that we were taking, and et cetera, et ccetera, et cetera. Damn, boys, you guys showed love last time. Look at that. 13 emojis. We did great. Kate in here actually got to hit her trade. Is Kate in here? We got John in here. We got the Pip Flipper in here. We got AJ in here. Where the fuck are my peoples at? None of them. I got nobody answering. Where the hell Alan at? Where the hell Pablo at? We got cells in here. Somebody says sell. I had to buy instead of support, and buy a point didn't trigger. Oh my god. You had to buy set at support and it didn't trigger. That is God giving you a blessing. Wow, we've only lost once this month. That is fucking crazy. That is a tough way to look at. This is a tough way to look at the charts right before we're going to take our first trade on this FTMO challenge. So I'm going to open up my FTMO challenge just to show you guys that we have a fresh FTMO account. We're going to be taking every trade that we take. We're going to be taken live. Yes, I know Mateo. Mateo, my dog, is in here. Mateo, you're one of the dogs. I just knew that you were in here already. So like I said, any trade that I sent to the Discord channel, these trades, if it is sent to the Discord channel and I am not on live, do not take it. Okay. Now, if I am on live, so every trade that we're doing at FTMO, we're doing it live together. I'm showing you guys lot size and everything. So if you guys don't see the lot size, it's because it's not for the FTMO challenge. And I won't be taking that trade on the FTMO challenge. I'm going to stick to the same percentage that you guys are on. From now on, I'm not sure about action. It looks weak. Could not wait for that's exactly why we are talking a little bit more about the breakdown that we're going to be doing this week. I think that price looks bearish. I'm not really trying to get sells. I think the daily already came at the support. You know, I mean, the rejection is now. If the rejection doesn't happen, we're looking at pretty clear sells for a little bit until other rejections start happening, other levels of Fibonacci, like maybe where 0.618 starts getting hit down here. So we're looking at a level down here possibly, if not a level down here, which would be resistance. I would love for price to get all the way to 170.700. We'd be looking at beautiful buys. So because it's the first trade of the week, no news, so we're not gonna have a lot of volume. A lot of retracements is going to be happening due to the fact that price is a little bit rangy. We have to be passive today, right? We can still take a trade. We're just going to risk something that's going to just give us a little bump and get us into this game, right? So I'm opening up my FTMO challenge right now. Credentials, metrics, 100K, right here for you boys. My bad. All right, so 100K. Yeah, this is the account. Ooh. I don't know. Wait, you guys, yeah, you just don't need to know my password. All right. Haven't taken the first trade yet. Every single day, we're obviously going to open up this metrics and we're going to watch it together. We're going to show you. We're going to be taking the exact same lot size. So today, we're going to be risking probably like 0.5%. For the people that weren't here when I was explaining how we're going to be doing the first trades of our FTMO challenge, first trades of our FTMO challenge, we're going to be risking a little bit less than people are usually a little bit less than we usually risk. We're going to try to risk $500 per trade, maybe $300 per trade, catching a 1 to 3. You know, obviously we're targeting higher risk reward ratios now, a little bit different from what we have been doing. We're going to leave a lot of runners, and we're trying to get a little bit of a cushion, because if we go up 2%, 3% within the first week, by the end of that week, we're going to start risking 3% per trade, 2% per trade, and we're going to start trying to look for good setups that we could actually take advantage of and pass our FTMO account with like dynamic risk. Because we're not going to be on the 1% battle, 1% battle, 1% battle, 1% won, 1% loss, 1% won, 1% loss. That's not going to work. FTMO challenge is meant for psychology. It's meant for people that know how to aggressively trade when it's meant to be aggressive and know how to be passive when it's passive. So us being unsure about price, we're unsure about price. We're not taking a trade on the FTMO challenge. It's that simple, you know. There's no point of trading when you're unsure. No point. Yeah, nothing more to be said there. Bro, can you look at USD shit? Yes, USD CHF. I was supposed to do a USD JPY look at somebody, but so let's look at the daily real quick. Damn, this thing looks like it's getting ready to rip. All right, weekly. So unless this is an actual ultimate level, unless this weekly is starting off doing a bottom wick and then it's gonna reject just like this previously weekly did and then go bullish after that, most likely we're looking at sells here. Now when we look at the daily, we already broke daily of, I mean, we broke the support that was being held on previous, I mean, the resistance, and then the what turned into support of previous week. So, I mean, we're at a major level right now. This level is going to give you a good reaction. This is probably like the no trade zone when it comes to USG, CHF. Anything like above, out of this range, at the top side of this range, is clear buys. Anything below it, obviously, maybe you need to wait for a break and retest. Could be clear sells. If we look at this also, I mean, that trend line looks beautiful as being respected. Oh, might get broken though, potentially. It is very bearish pair right now. We are channeling this. We had a clear impulse, right? After that, retracement right here. Another impulse after that. And then this would be another retracement. Kind of fake out of a break of structure. To then just have another impulse. And now this whole channel upwards could be a correction for the 90% rule to play out in shorts, right? Targeting bottom of the structure, because 90% of the time when we have a break of a channel, break of a wedge, you guys know the 90% rule. I don't gotta keep repeating myself with that. Especially when I have a stuffy nose and it's hard for me to like even breathe right now. I left that chart messy. I left this chart messy. All my charts look pretty messy right now. Let me open this up like this. Let me see what you guys are looking at right now. Look at the 4-hour clear uptrend, 78.6 on the. Let me see. I mean, USD, CHF. My bad. 1 second. 4-hour clear uptrend. 0.618 rejection off this 4-hour fib right here. Oh, maybe not. Maybe he's looking at this fib. Maybe on this fib. Yes. From the bottom of the trend. I like that. Support, bottom of the trend. Could get tricky here. Could get tricky here. Especially looking at GJ not look too bullish. Well, this is has nothing to do with GJ, I guess. I thought I was looking at GBPJPY. I used to trade GBPJPY, so I got a little bit confused. Hi, kindly review AUD/JPY. Damn, so we got people that trade a lot more than just GBPJPY. AUD/JPY. Let's go to the monthly. So we're getting to the end of the month. It is taken. We had a huge reversal wick here, followed up by bullish. I think if I look at USD, I mean, when I look at this pair, I see that this monthly bullish candlestick looks like it's trying to go somewhere. It doesn't really look like it's gonna flip bearish and go bearish. It looks like after this huge reversal zone that we had with all these wicks, obviously clear resistance right here. Used to be resistance, now it's perfect support, and then rejection, come back to the zone of rejection, followed up by continuation candle. I definitely think that it would take very strong price action to melt us down. Now that obviously this is bullish. This is a fake bearish trend in my opinion, as in like this is higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, than right here, whatever. But that's kind of just, I think, just giving it a little bit of a fake out of a little bit of a fake out, like showing bearish price action. Like I don't consider that bearish price action. Like that looks like that could be considered a bull flag to me. That could be considered a goddamn impulse, and that whole thing is the retracement. 0.618 rejection. So now when we start looking at the daily, because this candlesticks, we're looking at higher time frame. Well, this daily does start looking a little bit more bearish. Now, because the bearish move already happened, if I was trading AUD/JPY, I was forced to trade AUD/JPY. What would I be doing? I would be waiting for price to start reaching beneath this level of support right here, right? Into this zone. This is the money zone. This is where I would put a lot of money behind price retracing and having a big rejection. Even if it's going to continue on and going down, definitely at least we're going to see a fake out rejection for the people that are actually, then it's going to keep up going to the downside. But this is a huge reaction zone. There's no way we go into this price right here and we don't have a reaction. So if I was trading AUD JPY, I would definitely be waiting for price to just keep on coming down and try to trade a bounce. If not, I'd be catching the bounce as we speak right now, thinking that it's going to turn around. And I would obviously be risking. I would be risking less than I'd be targeting due to the fact that, like, I'm obviously risking, let's say, $1,000 here. I'd be targeting at least $2,000, $3,000 due to this being a retracement. I apologize for my stuffy nose, guys. Huge apologies. Well, GBPJPY looks like it's doing a little bit of a retracement. It looks like more of it's doing a little bit more of a range with no price act. Well, a little bit of a range with no goddamn volume. But all right, so this is my fib retracement. I kind of don't want that there. This is my short. All right, long, short. Is that long? Short, trend line. Fib, price. Boom, boom. Why the fuck I need a brush? That shit needs to get out of here. Oh, I did not just hide my bar. How do you bring out your tools again? Oh my god. Somebody let me know how you bring out your tools. All right, 4 hour. Ooh. We're being patient here, guys. So just so I'm clear, so I know that we had 2 people already tell me that they bought a fresh FTMO account. Who else bought a fresh FTMO account? Or if not, who is just here to be watching the series and be paying attention to what we're doing? I'm just wondering because I know that I'm probably going to make a little bit of a private chat for the people that did buy a challenge and want to take it a little bit more seriously than others that are just taking the signals. I mean, we're going to be just as serious on the signals. The signals called for my FTMO challenge can easily be taken on your own accounts using different lot sizes and stuff. I was gonna say drop a like if you guys haven't already. I'm in with you. That's my dog Frank. Mateo. I buy a challenge, but not FTMO. Perfectly fine, Mateo. I've been doing the 5K challenge for 2 weeks now, and I'll focus and finish with you. I am at -3%, 10 days left. 10 days left, -3%. You should be perfectly fine. Kate, what your target is going to be is making 3%. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Your target is to make 3%. You got 10 days left. If you get yourself into profit within 10 days and you're up like maybe $500 or something like that, and you're up $200, you could risk the profits and just make sure that at the end of the month you end in profit, and then you give yourself time to run that game, run it up against next time. Everyone trades I used to trade my best when I was down on my account. Why? When you're down and it's getting time to end and you know you're about to lose, when you got nothing to lose, you start trading the best. I'm telling you, when you got nothing to lose and you know you're not scared anymore, you're like, oh, the account's already gone. Now I just need to focus up and try to do the comeback. The comebacks usually come. I'm telling you. This trade looks so obvious and pure. I just think it looks a little too obvious. I swear. Guys, how do I bring back the tools? I have two MFF phase 1s. I can try to pass 10K with you. So guys, so make sure you guys have an understanding. I have a 100K account. So if I by mistakenly say I'm risking 1% and I don't clarify that my 1% is $1,000, if I say $1,000, do it's 1%. From the get-go. Very simple. It's usually the base number for everybody when we're talking about challenges. 100K. I don't even know where it says it on my screen. But it's a 100K challenge. Okay, right here. Balance 100K. So if I say 0.5%, make sure you know on your 10K account, whatever your 0.5% is your 0.5%. I'll make sure I say the lot size. I will make sure I show you guys the lot size and show you guys the percent, because I might be now that's where it's gonna, I mean, yeah, it's gonna take us probably, the first trades are gonna be a bit tricky, so thank God we're gonna be risking a little bit less, just because sometimes it's hard to calculate the exact 0.5% on the spot due to the fact that the pip count changed. So is there a pip calculator online that you guys recommend that I could do so I could easily, because I know GBP, I mean, before GBPJPY used to be, every pip used to be $10, etc. So I used to be like, all right, 20 pips is obviously whether 1% is $2,000, etc., 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 or whatever the fuck. I said it wrong, but Trade panel. Is that a website? I just want to be able to pull up something where I could be like, look guys, I'm about to risk 40 pips on GJ. 40 pips, we're gonna put a 2 lot. That means it's gonna be $600, guys. I'm gonna risk 0.5%, you know, whatever the fuck. Oh, it's on M. AJ, what it do, AJ? That works on MetaTrader, but yeah, I don't want to use MetaTrader on my phone. I mean, what am I saying, on my phone, on my computer? I can use that on my computer. I mean, fuck, I can use that on my phone and not my computer. Yeah. What the hell? Alright, so on the GJ we're seeing a 15-minute retracement right now. Oof, oof, oof. That is not the 15-minute right here. That is actually hitting an SMA right now. Wait. Alright, somebody send me, you guys, there has to be a pip calculator that's easy to pull up right here on the computer so we could easily, every single time I could tell you guys exactly what the fuck is going on. I need something to be crystal clear for you guys when I'm telling you guys how much we're going to take per trade. So for anybody that is new here and that is not paying attention, AJ, we bought the FTMO account. We have a 100K challenge that we're going to be doing. We're going to be trading live every single day, and we're going to be making sure we tell you guys exactly how much we are risking per trade, what is the stop loss, when are we taking profits, and we're going to be doing that, everything, managing every single trade live most likely. And yeah, we're gonna pass the challenge live with people. So there are people that purchased challenge for this. This was the announcement I made last week. You know, we're all gonna be running it up right now, man. Let's run it up. I'm gonna be doing it live. So drop a like for that, boys, and send me a pip calculator. I mean, I could probably what was I gonna say? Jesus. Actually, this is the one I used to use. How is my risk to reward ratio required? Currency pair, USD, swap or risk to reward ratio. I'm not understanding. Stop loss and pips. So if I risk 10, I'm risking 30 pips right now. Let's say 30 pips on a 1 lot. And it won't fill out that for me? Alright. Depends on your win rate or how accurate your trade. Go see easy order MT4. It's accurate and can be used in MetaTrader. I don't even know what that is. Like, I don't have MetaTrader on my computer. The MetaTrader on my computer is all fucked. Every time I'm trying to get MetaTrader on my computer, it gets fucked. So if it's on MetaTrader on my computer, I can't use that. Yeah, I have Nash FTM. Like, this is not even. This has a whole trading bot on it. My FTM, my MT4.
What you use to trade? MT4 on my phone. What broker? I use Hugo Sway. Or I use FTMO. I use FTMO. That's what I use. So look, this is what my shit does. Wow, price retraced. Wow, that is incredible. Wow, that is ridiculous. Eh, 17 pips. Whoa, good shit. Hood Gabbit in here. You can download different MT4, MT5 versions. Wow, GJ is moving, boys. GJ is moving. Buys at 171,400. We passed 171,400. I would definitely not take buys at 171. I mean, you would have gone for buys at 171,400. You would have been up 10 pips. So yeah, would have been up 12, 13 pips. No, right now we're being patient, boys. This is not our move. It looks like a beautiful move. I clear major level of support. I just did not feel comfortable with that move. It's going to give us some clear price action later. All right, so now that we see it, we're going to start seeing some movement. I'm going to put a candlestick at the 4-hour flip. We're putting 4-hour candlestick. I'm just a 4-hour flip. Very self-explanatory. 4-hour flip. Let's go look at our daily. Our daily flip is right here also. Daily flip. Bullish. 4-hour flip, daily flip. Look at the monthly. Okay, let's put when the monthly turns bearish all the way here at the bottom. Monthly bearish flip. Now I'm gonna color this blue. The monthly bearish flip. Weekly. Basically, the weekly support is monthly bearish flip. I'm not gonna write anything there. Pretty excited for this week. I don't get why the hell I just opened. I'm also very excited to do this challenge with you guys this week. I am just trying to figure out. I didn't think about what the so just for if anybody wasn't here when I said it. If I send a trade to the Discord channel and I am not on live, if I don't clarify, I mean, I'm not going to send any trade to the Discord channel intending for you guys to take it on your FTMO challenge for those who did it with me. FTMO challenge trades will be taken live with me live. Okay, so if I send something to the Discord channel because I am not here. And I am not going to stream, or I'm off stream and there was a move that's happening, or it's before London session, there's a move. You do not take that trade on the FTMO account. Do not. Another thing. Wait, we did it. Doesn't this calculator work perfectly? 37 viewers dropped like, guys. Yes, sir. We got 37 viewers and we only got like 21 likes. That was detrimental to watch. But honestly, we haven't caught any trade, and so I'm not gonna start asking you guys to drop shit when when I'm not dropping any hot shit. So just stay tuned. At least you guys are watching and supporting the channel. I appreciate for everybody who comes and watches the channel. It really means the world to me. Oh shit! Damn, y'all ran it up. Oh damn, that is some boy shit. That is the gang. I'm excited. So also every single day, like after I'm gonna be posting on the Instagram. So if you guys miss any trading day, you guys could let me know and I could try to notify you guys personally. But I'm also gonna be posting this trading metrics every single day on Instagram. Or I'll share the trading metrics page on Instagram, and everyone will be able to watch the trading metrics. So guys, I need you guys to confirm with me if this is accurate. On GJ, right now, let's say where I have my 100K account. I want to risk, let's say I want to risk only $500, right? I want to risk $500. So I confused myself. Why am I confusing myself? All right, had Daddy Dude alert today. Oh, what it do, John? My dog John's here. No, I understand. Yeah, obviously, if it would be half the percent, I would put 0.5. I understand that part. But like, imagine I wanted to like imagine. All right, imagine I want a 40 pip stop. I want a 40 pip stop. Let's say my stop loss I want it to be 40 pips. Oh, and then from there, I would put 0.5%, like in a way like that, like if it was like that. So if I wanted to risk 40 pips, it would be a 1.7 lot on GJ. Tell me I'm not mistaken. So imagine I want to risk 40 pips on GJ, and I want to make sure that's only 500 bucks. That's 1.72 lots, guys, on your guys'. All right. So we're gonna try. I'm gonna make sure. Let's make some money, bro. Beautiful. Well, it's at the risk ratio. I was expecting this to be. I don't even know percent. Why? I don't know. I understand it now, but I don't know why it's called whatever it's called. But I understand it now. I'm not sure if you guys are having the same doubts I'm having, but whatever. Pretty sure we all understand it now. You got the prop firm up today. Prop firm is up today, boys. We got the 100K account, guys. It's a 100K account, so. Hopefully everybody understood that. Everybody understood it's a 100K account. We have to reach 10%, so it is the normal one. It is not the aggressive version. If anybody wasn't here when we were talking about try the swap for money. Oh, so account size 1,000. Let's say I want to risk $1,500, and my stop loss is. I want to be 10 pips. Sheesh! That's way better, right? This is way easier to understand. So imagine today I want to risk $500 and our stop loss is going to be like 25 pips. We put 2.7 lots. All right, so tell me guys, we're going to risk $500 and we're going to put a 25 pip stop loss. Will it be 2.7 lots? 2.75, 2.76. 2.76 to be exact, I guess, so everybody can make sure we're saying the correct numbers. Yes, I got a yes right there. I trust Frank. Frank's the fucking GOAT here. All right. So what I'm looking at right now is that I'm looking at the desist daily, right? We always look at the higher time frames. We have to understand this right here is a magnet. The resistance right here that I'm drawing out right now, if you guys are looking right here, there's a magnet right there, just like there's a magnet down here. Looking at the previous dailies, we're looking at the daily candlestick chart right now. We have had huge rejections, one huge rejection, two huge rejections. Impressive. I guess no. I'm not. I think we missed out on this rejection that we might get right now for a reason. This might be a fake out rejection. You know, 100% now. If we come and start flipping bearish, that means we have clear sells. So hopefully we come and flip bearish because that will give us 100% clear sells, right? Instead of us being in profit fucking 10-15 pips and now going back down and being only 8 pips in profit would have been stressful of a trade. You got to look at the positive side about missing out on that long. Missing out in quotations. We didn't miss out on anything, guys. It's Monday. Monday, there's no news. What does no news tell us? No news tells us that there's probably not going to be enough volume to break through a whole bunch of levels, as in price might be very rangy. So Is this your first funded account challenge? No, it is not my first funded account challenge. You crazy? I've been trading for more than oh. Technical difficulties. My green screen just fell off, boys. Give me literally half a second. Damn it. Why would I try passing my first funded account challenge live with you guys? That would make no sense. I'm showing you guys how to pass it live due to the fact that I find it very easy to pass it. Therefore, there's no need to be paying people to pass it when there's literally a really simple strategy, and it's called freaking learning how to trade patiently. I'm just kidding. There's a little bit more to that. Give me 1 second, boys. All right, I'm back. Kind of. I am trying to make sure that this green screen I have doesn't fall. Oof. All right. Huge apologies for that. I had technical difficulties there. My green screen fell. I apologize. We have 48 viewers now. God damn it. What happened here? Guys, so we have started an FTMO challenge this week for anybody who just barely joined. We started an FTMO challenge this week. We're going to be passing an FTMO challenge live with everybody. So there's a couple people that have purchased challenges. So you guys can see 100K account, freshly not touched. A bunch of people have purchased FTMO challenges right now because they want to be able to be a part of this challenge pass that I'm going to do. I'm going to be showing you guys the risk I am taking per trade. So you guys have the risk calculator here. I'll be telling you guys, I'm risking 1% per trade. Therefore, or we're risking 50 pips today. I mean, what am I saying? We're going to risk 5% today. Therefore, 25 pips. And I'm going to have everything very clear for you guys that don't have a 100K account and have only a 10K account or a 50K account. So make sure you guys have a pip calculator if you guys get a little bit confused. I'll make sure that I'll be answering all the questions. We're going to be managing the trade live. I'm going to be literally showing you guys everything. So we're going to, first off, for the first trades, we're going to risk 0.5%. So we're going to build a little bit up of a cushion, I call it. And once we have a little bit of a cushion, we're going to start trading a little bit more aggressively once we start understanding the full correct bias of the week, or when we start seeing setups that we actually want to favor and that we actually trust a lot more. Let me go to my spreadsheet. If I'm not mistaken, did I update the spreadsheet for the last trades that we took last week? Let's see. So we have in May right now, we have one loss at the beginning of May. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're on an 8-win streak, guys. In April, we went on a 9-win streak in April. And then right after we went on a 3-loss streak, and now we're on an 8-win streak. So potentially we might reach our 9th win again. All trades have been called on the Discord, so if you guys want to make sure you guys join our Discord server, if you're not in our Discord server, all trades are literally called live. We have been managing all these trades live, and yeah, we've been doing great. We've been doing great since the opening of the Signal channel. Soon it will be private, so take advantage that it's public for now. Yeah, we've been honestly doing great. All these trades have been called out live. If you guys could see, we have literally been only taking buys on GJ since last month due to the fact that we understood where price was actually trying to go to. Now we're at a level of GJ that we I'm a little bit unsure. I'm still bullish on GJ. I think that this is the correct buy to be taking. I mean, I don't think this is the correct buy to be taking. I think it is a valid buy. You know, my bias is definitely bullish. Just a little bit early of a trade. Also, we have no news coming in, so there's no news today. What does no news tell me? No news tells me that we're probably going to have low volume, especially if it's Monday. Us having low volume on a Monday, it's kind of hard for price to just freaking melt through all these prices like nothing. And it would be hard for it to also do the same thing on the upside. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. It doesn't mean it's not going to happen, just it's going to be a harder process for it to happen. So we need to make sure we be patient, and we're going to catch correct candlestick confirmations. And yeah, so every single day we're going to be showing you guys the trading metrics on this FTMO account that I am taking with you guys. I'm going to be posting it on the Instagram stories and stuff like that. I'm going to be very active, so you guys are very aware of where price is, or like how well we're doing. Boy, we owe you big time after we get through. Ooh, Savio, yes. Every time, what I want, the only thing I want from you guys when we pass these challenges is for you guys to be posting it on your story, being like, oh, what 5%, boom, doing the challenge of bullish lifestyle, etc., etc., etc. So. And I want you guys every stream to make sure you just drop a fucking like. That's all I want you guys to do. When you guys are in the stream, make sure you drop a like. So let me open up Bullish Lifestyle. Let me see how many likes I got right now with you guys. I mean, we're waiting for price right now. We're being very patient. 51 watching. Jesus Christ, we got 51 watching. 35 likes. Damn, we're a bit short on likes. All right, if we reach, fuck it, we're gonna be here the whole night. So if we reach, I was gonna say 75 likes, but last time we kind of reached it very quick. 100 likes, we'll do a giveaway. At 100 likes tonight, we do a giveaway. 100 likes, we do a 5K account giveaway. 100 likes for sure this time, because last time you guys destroyed me. We only had 20 people. I gave like a 50 pips, 60 pip. Duncan ignoring me. Duncan, ¿dónde está el parcero? I trade stock, da da da. Duncan, I saw. No, I'm not. There's just a little couple things going on, so no, I wasn't ignoring you. But we are gonna have a giveaway at 100 likes. People keep entering and joining, so maybe I should change the channel, or just everybody keep on letting people know. Bro's ignoring me. I must go now. Oh, you're leaving, AJ? No, I wasn't ignoring you, AJ. I just got what happened? Ooh, we got a new subscriber. Thank you, Cryptonique, for subscribing. What's up with the music right now? This song is whack as hell. Let's go. Really tempted to buy on USD CHF. On this 4-hour flip. USD CHF. Let's look at USD CHF real quick. Buy them. What the fuck? Are we looking at the same pair, bro? On this? Nah, this is, I think this looks like a discombobulated head and shoulders on USD CHF, right? That's the head, shoulder. That was another shoulder. Now, besides the head, shoulder, and shoulder that popped up right there, like I said, impulse. We had an impulse, impulse right here. Then we had a correction, right? So we had impulse, correction. Then we had another impulse down here. Boom, correction. Impulse, correction, impulse. Again, this is the lowest low, as we see right here. Another impulse. And then this whole little ascending channel right here is a correction, in my opinion, especially if we look at the higher time frames on the daily, when we see that we have been on a huge bearish downtrend. So when it comes down to USD CHF, yeah, I think this daily looks like it has a lot of momentum left in it. A lot of momentum. I'm not liking the buy. I wouldn't take a buy, not just yet. I'll wait for some good candlestick confirmations. Also, if we look at the DXY, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with looking at the DXY. The DXY is the dollar index. The dollar index is just the dollar index. What does that mean? It just shows the value of the dollar and how strong it is and how weak it is, to be put into simple terms for you guys that are just started trading. I do like this little bullish reversal pattern that's happening here. This is a descending wedge, but looks like we got the break and we might getting we're getting the retest definitely. I think I'm bullish maybe a bit later once price really melts. Maybe we'll just recover the whole melt by the end of the week. Yo, watch out with this scammer on Duncan's server. He is trying to pretend to be Duncan. How is it gonna go? Message me, send Duncan, bro. Damn, guys. Yeah, you guys gotta make sure. I'm not gonna be messaging anybody on my Discord server. So if you guys are getting messaged by somebody on the Discord server thinking it's me, it is not me. Okay? I think I got fake messages from the fake Duncan last week. Well. Hopefully you guys understand that I would not ask for any money from you guys. I'm not asking for anything, everything. If I ask for anything, it's just goddamn likes on the goddamn YouTube stream. So make sure you guys do not get scammed by anybody that is pretending to be me. And like I said again, thank you guys for coming and fucking being a part of the stream. You guys are awesome for fucking supporting. We're gonna slaughter this week. I have great feeling. We're I was a little bit upset that I missed out on this move, but so far, honestly, price has not gone anywhere. It went up to go down and just go back up. Kind of looks like it's ranging around this little level of support. We're going to be a little bit patient today because we're, like I said today, for those taking the FTMO challenge, now that I think I made it a little bit clear, como las entradas. ¿Podrías avisar lo importante en castellano también? Como por las entradas. Me voy a tratar de acordar perfecto. O sea, me voy a tratar de acordar. Ojalá que entiendas como... Y voy a tratar de no empezar a poner como the P&L up on the screen. Okay, I got 100k FTMO. Jesus, we got the whole gang. Dale, bro, me voy a preocupar de que hay gente en español que también quiere entender. O sea, lo que estaba diciendo es que hoy día vamos a arriesgar voy a arriesgar $500 en mi FTMO. Eso es mitad de por ciento. Tengo una cuenta de $100,000 y eso, voy a arriesgar mitad de por ciento. So, bichos, solo usted pendiente de cuántos pips vamos a arriesgar y yo voy a avisar eso en español también. No me cuesta hablar español, solo hay muchas terminologías que no se dicen en español como de trading. Como un trade en español obviamente se llama una operación, me imagino. Pero se pone como un poco, like I get a little bit confused. My bad, guys. There's somebody in Spanish here. There's a couple people in Spanish here that wanted me to be a little bit clear when I take a trade because they understand in English, but they wanted just me to be extra clear about how much I'm risking per trade whenever we start doing this. So, yeah, boys. Is there anybody that this is their first stream and they're not familiar what we are doing here? Because we got 50 people, so I'm not sure if this is just the accumulation of people that have been joining from the previous weeks. And yeah, or does everybody here have a pretty good idea? Like, so if this is anybody first stream and they're not really sure what I'm talking about when I'm saying this FTMO challenge thing that we're gonna do, first, well, yeah, well, you sounded like you understood though. So I basically opened up an FTMO challenge because everybody asked me to last week, and we're gonna be passing that FTMO challenge in front of everybody. I'm gonna be showing them my lot size. I'm gonna be showing them how much I'm risking, everything. We're gonna be doing everything that we've been doing already on the Discord channel. We're going to be doing it now, but on an FTMO account. And the only thing that changes is we're probably going to leave a little more runners than we have been. As you guys could look at our spreadsheet, we've been closing a lot of trades at 101s. Well, every trade we've majority closed at 101. But we're going to start leaving some runners and stuff like that to be able to give us a good chance and just letting a trade run and pass the challenge for us. Bro, I'm up 1% today. Let's go, man. That sounds amazing, AJ. Good shit. Yeah, 2-year anniversary deal. What? What are you talking about, John? John, today's your 2-year anniversary, brother? Congratulations if it is. So, GJ, did anybody catch this GJ bounce? I know I saw somebody already in the chat catch this GJ bounce. GJ's only bounced 20 pips. This does look like a move of like, oh, look what I fucking missed. But realistically, 20 pips. So let's say if you caught the exact sniper of this little retracement, then you probably caught 20 pips. Realistically, you have to see the retracement happen, confirmation. You probably only caught like 13 to freaking 15 pips max. And majority of the people caught 10 pips if you caught that bullish retracement, and it's retraced on you, so you probably closed when it went back down or got stopped at a break even. As in, no move has happened right now. Patience is being our friend. We are 2 hours into London session. Wow, what the hell? We've been on for 1 hour and 30 minutes already. I got a GU buy at break even. I love that. Let me see GU real quick. We got to stay up all night and wait till the morning again. Yes, sir. We're not going to be doing too many full nighter trades. Maybe after we catch our FTMO trade. But like I said, so there's a lot of the time, guys, where we've been trading these previous weeks, and we have gotten lucky in the sense that we have taken aggressive trades that are unnecessary due to the fact that I want to have like trades set in the Discord chat. But we're not going to be doing that. If I see that there's nothing that I want to take right now, like for example, there's nothing I want to take, I'm not going to have you guys fucking put your money behind something I don't believe. So I want you guys to, this is going to be a way for you guys to, you guys are literally trading how I'm trading. Like you guys are literally, that's the way you guys are going to put this. When you guys purchase this FTMO challenge, if you're really if your intent is to really pass it with me, if I don't take a trade for freaking 4 days, I'm not saying that that's going to happen. I doubt that's going to happen. It's close to impossible that happens. But realistically, I want you to not take a trade on it for 4 days. This is that simple. The count's not going to go away if we're in profit. The count's not going to go away if we're at break even. The count's not going to go away. It's always going to be there. So I be getting hella tired towards the end of the night, AJ. The last few days of last week, I've been fucking, I don't even like rewatching the streams because I look like an idiot and I just start speaking stupidity. But like I said, what was I saying right now? So if you guys purchase this challenge with the intent of
passing every challenge. You guys have to be perfectly fine with the fact that we might get on and we might not see anything. Like what I might say, like I might not be satisfied with any setup right now. And if we are, we're probably going to leave a low lot size risk. Like imagine I say, oh, we're going to risk 30 pips right now, and we're only risking 0.5%. So we're risking 500. I'm going to risk $500 and 30 pips for you guys. That means 0.5% and 30 pips. We're going to set that trade and we're going to go to sleep. And I'm going to tell you guys, take profit one is the official take profit, instead, or don't put a take profit, leave it. And like that's the way we're going to be going about things. We're going to be going patiently, especially at the beginning. Towards the end, it's going to be a lot more aggressive, where it's going to be we're going to be winning trades in and out pretty quick. But up to the moment, all right. So let's see what we have here. Yeah, up to the moment, we're going to be patient. I'm not saying that I'm going to get off if we don't see anything, but I definitely, if I'm not feeling how price action is moving, we're not going to just take an unnecessary trade. What's the time in your country, Duncan? I am in Miami, so it is 4:53 a.m. I am in United States, Florida, Miami, sir. When do y'all sleep? I sleep when I get off stream, so probably like usually, I don't know, hopefully I used to get off at stream at 5, 6 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Lately I've been getting off stream at like 7, 8 o'clock. And then by that time I got stuff to do in the morning, like edit videos, or I got tournaments of golf turning on, and I got shit going on. So I usually fall asleep like at probably 10, 11, 12 o'clock. And then I'm up maybe like at 5 and 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And then I got to do a whole bunch of things up until stream, which is like 3 in the morning. So it's been a fucking rough schedule lately. But man, it's at least I'm my own boss. It's the life that we chose to live. Right? Do you trade New York? I do not typically trade New York. I have traded New York. I sometimes feel forced to trade New York due to the fact how I feel price is moving during like London session. If I see London session's not doing anything, or there was a huge melt during London session, I might go to New York session knowing that the fact that is that the majority of the chance, knowing I might go to New York session to try to catch the retracement of that move or try to catch the continuation, etc. It really just depends on. Very few times I trade New York session, but if I feel like there's an opportunity for me, I will go into New York session and I will try to take it. I'm from Chicago. Yeah, AJ's from Chicago. He from the streets, bruh. South side. Do I trade New York? All right, answers all the questions there. Price is literally moving sideways, boys. I'm so excited, dude. I want to get our first trade. I want to be once we're in profit. Specifically the first trade is the most important for me whenever we're doing this FTMO challenge, due to the fact that the first trade, if we put ourselves in profit, it's gonna be great. And honestly, if we take our first loss is gonna be fine also, because we're only gonna lose 0.5%. Therefore, we can risk another 0.5%, and then if we lose 2 trades in a row, we'll only be down 1%. That means that the third trade we could probably risk another 0.5% or risk a 4%, and by the chance that we keep on getting all these trades wrong, starts going down. Like if we go on a loss and we take another loss, every time we take another loss, the chance that we're going to take a win the next time gets higher and higher. Therefore we can start dynamic risking it and risking a little bit more. It's all going to be on my call though, guys. It's going to be on my call. Don't make sure you guys don't start taking trades on that account that I don't call. It's going to be a psychology fuck for you guys. If I'm up 3% and you're up 2% and then I start saying certain things, it's going to be a huge psychology fuck. All right. Patience and psychology is key. Might as well wait for a great setup. 100%, 100%. There's no point of risking money that you don't need to risk. Yeah. Besides that, boys, how did you guys? Anybody? Wait, facts though. Woo! Did anybody hop in this buy and actually catch this retracement up to the moment, or is everybody still waiting and that wasn't their favorite setup? I'm kind of like. No, I don't think I would have gone for a 10 pip trade specifically right now with this being my first trade. Specifically with it being with you guys behind it. What do you think about the NZD USD on the current zone? NZD USD. I love that you guys trade all these different pairs. It's fucking awesome to see that we don't just have a bunch of GBPJPY addicts. On the current time frame, and this hourly candle gave power, man. Like there's 4 minutes left for this hourly candle to close. With all the volume that this hourly candle could close, I have enough confidence to say that this hourly candle is either going to close down here, or it's either going to close. Shit, it's at this resistance right here, so this is possible right here also. I was gonna say up here. One of these 3 levels, right? It was giving us fake bearish price action, but if we look at that little bit of a higher time frame, oh shit. Now we're bullish. I'm bullish. I think that was a fake, but I think that was fake bear price action, and now that huge 1 hour candlestick told us something important. Now, now it doesn't. I think we're gonna range for a little bit. We could potentially touch these zones again. If you see, there's like a little inverted head and shoulders starting to form. That's shoulder right there. A little bit of a head right here. And if price retraces and bounce off of these zones and leaves any, that would be another shoulder, and it would be able to be perfect for, you know, for it to fly later. So retracement and for it to fly. That's what you should wait for. Catching it at a good retracement. Be generous with the stop loss. And I'm going to throw this trade up like this. See if it potentially hits my... This is not a real trade, guys. I'm just leaving this so you guys can see it later on. We're going to check this out and how it's doing. Remind me to check how it's doing later, guys. All right. That's what's up, G. Good. Whoa. What does it say? That's what's up, G. Good to be in peace. Good to be in peace in life. Yes. Yes. What is this? Oh, I like this song. Guys, why isn't Dr. Dollar on? Thought Dr. Dollar would be on right now. 44 likes. Thank you guys so much for coming and dropping a like. Make sure you guys come and drop a like though. 44? We got 49 people in here. What to do? We got people not paying attention to something? It's totally fine, guys. I'm so happy that we got past like fucking 10 likes. Like literally, I'm so happy we got past 10 likes. So that's all I fucking needed from you guys. Gold is moving. Let's go check out gold. Jesus Christ. Look at this. Wow. Why isn't GJ moving like this? This is such a clean trade. Bullish engulfment, continuation candle. Wow. Wow, that is a great trade right there. Notice how gold, and remember last week I was talking about how candlestick openings and closings. Candlesticks will start going towards their true direction towards the end of the candlestick closing. So we have 1 minute for this shit to close. Towards the end is where it starts giving a huge push of this candlestick. You know, candlesticks will always start going to their closings towards the, they'll start going to their actual destination towards the end of their closing. Whether that be the 1 minute candlestick, whether that be 15-minute candlestick, whether it's the daily. The daily, everything gets chosen towards the end of the candlestick closing. So when the candlestick feels like it needs to close, maybe like 90% to 85 to 90% of when the candlestick is about to close, that is when it starts going into its true direction. Sometimes it's already going into the true direction, but that's where you see the majority of the big push. Majority of the time. GJ is still retracing. The bullish bias play out did not play out yet. I honestly think price is gonna melt. If you have to ask me, who has only taken buys, and we literally have only taken buys, I definitely think I'm looking at sells right now. That's why I'm very iffy on even taking a trade right now. Like fuck. Unless we take it now. I mean, I don't even want to throw up a sell right now. Like throw the fake sell, because then people are gonna fucking think we're gonna sell. Manchester versus Inter. Who you got, boys? Man, that's a simple one. Manchester City's gonna freaking slaughter. Inter is gonna have to just play full defense counter attack. Hopefully, yeah, and fucking pray for the runner. Pray for the runners, boys. Van Post says Manchester City all day. Damn, I want to remember everybody who is in here. We got Van Post in here, AJ, Sentry's in here, Kevin, Savio, Napping Knight, Blodge, Mason. What is it? The Human Project. He was here last week also. John, always. Slick Blocks. I don't recall that name. Jay De La Javi, I remember you perfectly. Marina Mediavilla. What a beautiful name. The Human Project, Van Post, Eli, Frank. We got Frank all the way from freaking, what was it, Sweden? Yes. We got Frank from, no, was it Sweden or Denmark? It was from, where are these guys from? What's his name? Ah, Frank, why am I like that, dude? I forgot where you're from. It's all these soccer. We were looking at the soccer players that had names like you. All right, yeah. Well, thanks for the game for being here, brother. Sweden, yes, I got it correct. You are from Sweden. Look at that. Anyone here from Finland? Wayne in here? Yes, sir. Bro, do you trade US oil? I do not trade US oil. I majority only trade GJ. I've only been trading GJ for so long. GJ, and look at this. I've only been trading GJ. So for the last 2 months, I've only been trading GJ. GJ. I took one trade in London session, a New York session, and everything has been buys. Buys. So I took 3 losses. So 1 loss, 2 loss, and then in May, so I went on a 3 loss streak because price was actually retracing those like 3 days. So there was 3 days where the buys did not play out into my favor, and maybe some of these break-even days. But majority of the time, taking buys on GJ these last few weeks, I've been playing out perfectly. Guys, if you guys do not have your own spreadsheet, make sure that you guys go to the Discord channel. On the Discord channel, if you guys go to the spreadsheet section, the first link is so you guys can see my track record, but the second link is so you guys could open up your own. It opens up a file for you guys on your guys' computer that you guys could save, and you guys could have your own trading log right there. If you guys post that you guys are using my trading log, I will repost it, and man, it's good to track your trades. It's really tracking your trades is going to help your game big time. Even though you feel like it doesn't, even though if you feel like tracking losses is not going to help you, I'm telling you, tracking your trades is going to help. Facts. GJ looks like it's going to have a little bit of a bullish push right now. Not a big one, but I mean, I don't know big or not, but regardless, it looks like it's going to push. Searching for a quick short. I agree that the quick short on GBPJPY. Oh wait, you're talking about AUD is. AUD USD. If you guys want me to check out any pairs right now, since we're not taking a trade yet, I could, for the quick short on AUD, man, I like the quick short 100%, but what would be even better is waiting for that long. I definitely think that long could happen on USD, AUD. Look, so remind me, Mateo, to come back to this pair. I'm going to act like I'm taking a long here. Stop loss below this wick right here. Just in case it wants to hit that support. I like this right here. AUD, USD. But guys, remind me to come back to this pair. I love this trade right there. Bro, I blew up my account in a week ago, but now covered all the losses up for 20%. Up 20% on your account. Are you making 2% or 20%? Damn. How do you blow your account and now you're up 20%? Or you almost blew the account. Bro, buys on USD CHF. USD CHF. Sheesh, brother, I'm not understanding. I told you, you said buys over here, and price is still melting. I'm pretty sure that we said that this is gonna melt. I think it's gonna melt. Look at the weekly. Sheesh kebab. I think the retracement could happen. There could be clear buys. 764 level on the fib. So this is the fib you're looking at. Low. Oh, that's the trade. So this is a low. Oh, that is a fib. That is not a fib again. Jesus Christ, where's my Fibonacci? Low, high. 764 is getting hit right now. So for those who are on the stream and do not know how to use the Fibonacci very well, when I throw a Fibonacci, you are throwing it from the bottom, from a low to a high. So you're looking for an impulse, right? As in, if you look at the market, we have impulses, corrections, impulses, and corrections. You're looking for a low and a high. Oh my God, why am I not being able to click the correct button? So back to the explanation. We have a low right here. You see, I'm putting it at the candlestick low. You can put it at the bottom of the candlestick, or you can put it at the bottom of the body. Just make sure you maintain that consistent. If you're going from body to body, you go from body to body. If you go from stick to stick, you go from candlestick, wick to wick, right? So what does the Fibonacci do? Fibonacci, this has different levels that tell us the strength of a trend. So if we were to have price come and bounce on this 236 level and start going long right after bouncing on that 236 level, that would mean we have a very strong trend. The lower price goes on the Fibonacci levels, the weaker the trend, right? So right now we're at the 764 level. This is the low, this is the high. Now that we're at a 764 level, this means that we have a weak bullish trend. This level could still hold. Now, if this level holds, that obviously means that this is a valid fib and price would retrace all the way up. Now, why do people say that 06? Why do I call the 0618 my golden zone? The reason I like this 0618 being my favorite zone to execute trades on is due to the fact that my risk to reward ratio is great if I take trades off this 0618, because I could always throw a stop loss under the 764, which the 764 is my last level of support. So if that 618 does get broken, I still have a chance of staying in this trade, and I could always target the high of this structure. And if this is a Fibonacci retracement, that should mean that price, once it retraces, should be making new highs. So therefore, if I am just targeting the initial high that we have right here, my targets should 100% be hit. So me taking a trade off the 0.618 level gives me a great risk to reward ratio and a great target to be able to actually execute and hit this trade. I hope that was a good explanation on the Fibonacci, just in case. There's a lot of people that use Fibonacci and they don't really know exactly how to use it, or there's a lot of people that use Fibonacci and they kind of, that see Fibonacci and they're kind of scared of it because of all the numbers and all. The only thing it does is that it tells you the strength of a trend. The higher the retracement is, like the higher it retraces on, if it retraces on the 236, 382, like the lower it goes on the Fibonacci, the weaker the trend is. So we could be, and then how do you set Fibonacci? Let me try to erase everything from my chart real quick. How do I set a Fibonacci level? Fibonacci level is set from a peak to peak. So imagine I want to set a Fibonacci level from thinking like I'm looking at the shorts. I think that this could be a Fibonacci level for the short. I'm going to go from this wick, top wick right here, boom, to this bottom wick right here. Boom. I'm obviously going to extend it to the right so I can see it. And now we have a 0.618 rejection on the short side. As in, you see I went from top to bottom because I think it's a sell. So if you think it's a sell, you're going to grab the top wick and throw it to the bottom. If you think it's going to be a buy, you would do the opposite. You would grab it, if you think that it's a bullish Fibonacci, you would throw from the bottom to the top, like that. Why is this right here, bottom to the top right here, not a valid Fibonacci? Because this isn't a top right here. Price is literally still pushing, making higher highs as we speak. So you have to be able to predict in a Fibonacci retracement what the actual bottom and actual high is of like the move. So this for sure is a bottom, and this for sure is a high. And this for sure could be a bottom, and this like for sure could be the high of the opposite way. So like, imagine if I just like on that last fib that I threw from here to here, price could literally just keep on going up, and therefore I would have to move it up and move it up and move it up constantly. Where this wouldn't be a valid fib. You're not even in a retracement. You're in the impulse. You need to be able to have the retracement already to be able to throw the fib. Hopefully, I kind of got lost in that explanation, but hopefully that was a good explanation. Duncan, you're out of 60 people, bro. Sheesh. Guys, we are at 60 people. That is awesome. For the people who are not here, not knowing that what we were doing, we were passing an FTMO challenge live with everybody. I actually opened up an FTMO challenge with everybody. As you can see, I have a 100K account. I will be showing what lot sizes I am taking, when to close the trade, how much I am risking, how much per lot size. So I'm going to be basically passing an FTMO challenge with you guys live. We have a couple people that purchased an FTMO challenge that will be passing it with me. So if you guys want to be able to be a part of you guys want to be able to see the experience, just come every single day. We're going to take one trade on the FTMO account per day. I'm going to be making sure I open up the metrics every single day so you guys can see. I'm going to make sure I make it very clear for everybody in the stream. And if you guys are going to be following me and actually opening an account to do this trade with me, I want you guys to message me. At one point, I already got a few people that messaged me due to the fact that I want to make sure, like, imagine I hop on stream. I want to be able to, if I know that there's 6 people that purchased an account, I want to know those 6 people's names. So when I hop on and I try to take a trade, I at least have most of them there. I'll try to wait for everybody. I'll try to message you guys personally, but we need to make sure that we have everybody there. So I'm going to try to make sure I have my time set very well for what time we're going to be hopping on stream, because it really just depends. Yeah, we're going to be majority trading GJ. As you guys know, I've only been trading GJ since April. We went on a 9-win streak in April. After the 9-win streak we went in April, we actually only took buys in April. And then we went on a 3-loss streak. We took 2 losses at the end of April. We went into May, started off with a loss. We went into a 3-loss streak. And after that, we are on an 8-win streak as we speak right now currently. Nice. Here from Spain, Marina Mediavida. Does that... I wanted to. We have Maria in here from Spain. I wanted to ask Maria if she's a girl. Obviously, she's probably a girl. Marina, not Maria. Marina. Is that we usually don't got a lot of girls trying to learn how to trade. So it's pretty funny that we got some girls in here. So it's not just boy. I always say boys, 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 and I always go, guys. I feel bad. What if there's? So I guess it's ladies and gentlemen or gang. We'll be gang. I live in Valencia, man. I love fucking people from Spain. My favorite soccer team since for the last 10-15 years, yo soy fanático del Atlético de Madrid. Atlético Madrid for life, boys. So if we got any Atlético Madrid fans in here, oof, you guys are gonna be my fucking best friends. All right, encantado. Look at that. Look at that. And yeah, boys, make sure if you guys are here in the stream, you guys come and drop a like. Thank you guys for being a part of the stream. Make sure you drop a like, boys. Let's see how much likes we got. Because usually we got a lot of people giving fucking love out here. 47. We are going to do a giveaway at 100 likes. If we reach 100 likes tonight, we're doing a giveaway, right? If we do 75 likes,
Let me think about if we could do something at 75 likes. I'd love to do something with you guys. I mean, initially go. So guys, for the people that are following the FTMO challenge, we're taking a 0.5% risk trade today. We're risking $500. We're risking $500. I am risking $500, 0.5%, right? I do not know what stop loss that's gonna be, but today for sure, I'm risking $500. So now we're just waiting to find out what stop loss that is gonna be according to what trade we're gonna take. I want to be bullish tonight. I think that price needs to keep on retracing, and I kind of don't want to take the sell. If I see a clear sell due to the fact that we're in the levels that I wanted, so let's put, I kind of erased the levels like an idiot again, but let's put weekly, monthly. All right, so let's put this one. This is our monthly bearish flip. So this is how I break down my charts for anybody who's in here still learning and they kind of don't know how to break down charts, and they're like, why is this guy's chart so empty? How come he doesn't need to do shit to his charts? Guys, this is my weekly candlestick, right? If my weekly candlestick turns bearish, that's going to tell me a big indication that price could end up just like this last previous week, right? Well, this little resistance that end, it could end, the level could be respected. So I'm going to type in weekly support, weekly bearish flip. This is a bit repetitive for everybody who sees me do this all the time, but I'm telling you, this is the only price action type of, oh shit, Visca Barca, girls with Spain accent are something else. I know, fucking girls with Spanish accents are, oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know why guys love girls with Colombian accents. I feel like Colombians fucking sound like sounds like they're either like missing a chromosome or if they got like a hot dog in their mouth. But Spanish women, Jesus Christ. Yo, John Oblak is from Slovenia. Ooh, John Oblak is literally a fucking legend. Would you take AUD CAD shorts if it rejects 89.730? I will look at that right away, Kevin. Give me 1 second. ¿Cómo están las parceras? Perdón, las paisas. Colombians isn't bad. You got that wrong. Who said it? Who got what wrong? But Spanish girls are different. Go see that AUD USD. 1 second. AUD USD. Why the fuck? AUD USD. Was it the trade that I put though? Is this not the chart though? AUD USD right here. I don't know what we're looking at in AUD CAD. Oh, that looks great. AUD CAD definitely looks fucking bullish. If I'm not mistaken. Jesus, these pairs are a bit brutal, guys. Look at this. Take profit, entry, stop loss. It's funny. I don't even remember where the trades are that I left. Yeah, your trade. How's my trade on AUD CAD though? I don't even see. Is it that my trade that started hitting though? What trade started hitting? I can't even find it. GBP CAD. Why can't I find it? Oh, on AUD USD. But the thing is that there's so many here, so I actually don't know which one I put it on. Damn, that bounce was beautiful. Oh, right here. Oh my god. Look at this trade that I set, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. You see? I mean, I wish GJ was moving clean. Mateo was telling me that he wanted to take a short on AUD USD. I was like, Mateo, I kind of love the long, bro. And the reason I did is that this was such a strong bullish candlestick, like giving us bullish confirmations. And then with this hourly being bearish and it just opening bearish, fucking them for 15 minutes, I definitely felt like, man, this is the 1 hour candlestick and it's pushed already so much. Jesus Christ, this candlestick could do so many things, so much potential. And GJ looks like it's getting ready. Hopefully this fib short starts playing out. Something like that. Guys, what about we take this fib short? You guys like this fib short? Fib short on the fucking GBPJPY. Anybody like shorts on GBPJPY? Even though the weekly looks like it's getting near the weekly bullish flip. The weekly bullish flip is important. When you put that, mark that shit down. weekly bullish flip. I'm gonna mark it red. Weekly bullish flip. All right, almost took it, but it was the liquidity grabs at the lower time frames that are throwing me off. I see what you mean, brother. Duncan, Luca, no limit just showed up to say what's up, and you didn't say hi back. I apologize. I don't fucking. Luca in the building. Luca, good luck tonight, brother. Luca, no limit. Oh, that's funny. AJ, you gotta let me know stuff like that. I need to tell you guys the truth. I've heard of his name. I'm gonna look it up to see if I recognize his account. I'm not sure who that is. AJ's like, bro, I be letting you know. Damn, bro. Is this Luca No Limit, the guy that has podcasts? Is this Luca No Limit, the guy that has podcasts? Let's see this. Luca No Limit. Yeah. Guys, if you guys go to this podcast of Luca No Limit, there's, I'm not sure, around 8 minutes, maybe around 7 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm not sure where in this podcast. It's very early. Maybe it's for 100% 10 minutes into this podcast. Like it's at 7:30, like maybe starting around here. Dollar starts talking about bullish lifestyle. Maybe we could listen to it together. I'm gonna put it from right here. I don't hear anything, but if you guys are listening from right here, we could talk. You guys could listen to what Dollar is saying about bullish lifestyle.
I don't hide.
Hey, I'm pretty sure it's coming up pretty soon.
That's the reason why I'm here today, right? So that
This is Dollar talking about how I got him into trading. He shouts me out and everything.
You know, like I've always been in that mode, bro. Yeah. Even when I was young. So now fast forward, like I eventually I moved out with my girlfriend because my mom didn't like the fact that you know, I was selling fucking drugs, bro. Like nobody's proud of that. I'm not proud of it, but it's my past, so I don't mind talking about it, you know? Yeah. So then she eventually kicked me out, and then I went to go live in a trailer park, bro, where I was robbed twice. And then like everybody looked down on me. Like,
and then this podcast, mom, because I can't really hear it. Just tell me when you start talking about me and how he got into
you're never gonna be shit. You're gonna end up in jail or you're gonna die, right? Because I got robbed, straight up robbed, bro. Like people with guns and shit. Like they could have shot me if I didn't give them what they wanted. You get me? Mm-hmm. So they had a point, but my immature mentality at that point was no. You know what? I'm right. Everything I do is right. When you're 16, 17, 18 years old, you think you're right all the fucking time, right? Yeah. But the biggest thing that you guys can do is always listen to your parents, bro. They are always right and make them proud, bro. So what I realized is that me selling drugs made no one proud, right? So when once coronavirus hit, it really changed my whole outlook on life, right? So did I get affected by the coronavirus? Not really, bro. I was just home more.
Is it still echoing?
Nothing was open. I was chilling in the crib. So I was like, then that's when I went to. I remember this day like it was yesterday, bro. So it was my boy's birthday, and we went to the Monte Carlo in Miami, bro. I know if you guys.
Is it still echoing, my dogs? My people? Is it still echoing?
You guys are from Miami. It's a fire ass hotel that my boys got for that weekend, and I went there, and then I met Duncan Chavasic. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be trading today. Shout out Duncan. His name's Dr. Peso, bro. Hey, there we go. Shout out Dr. Peso. Shout out Dr. Peso. So I remember us talking at that in It was a balcony looking over the beach, bro. Like, isn't this fucking crazy?
Motivational shit, yeah.
No, and
Right?
it's the real shit. So we were looking over the beach, and then he started talking about, oh, I just caught this many pips. I'm like, what the fuck is a pip, right? And I was like, what are you talking about, bro? Like, and then he just started telling me, he's like, bro, it's Forex. It's like you buy low, sell high, like simple shit, you know? And then after that day, bro, I got super hooked, bro. I got right back home, bro. As soon as I got home, I was like, God damn, bro. This is what I want to do, bro. Like I felt the thing is that I had a passion for it even when I didn't know, because even when I didn't know what he was talking about, I was asking him questions like I really wanted to know what the hell it was, you know?
I'm not sure if you already. I'm pretty sure. I mean, I'm not sure if he keeps on mentioning. He mentions bullish lifestyle multiple times. I'm not sure if that's the beginning of when he mentions me and bullish lifestyle. For those who I not know, I got Dr. Dollar into trading. I'm the one who taught him his first what a pip was. I taught him how what retracements were. Oh, echo. There you go. 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 I apologize for that. So for those who don't know, yeah, basically I know who got Dr. Dollar into trading and stuff. Doesn't take away from anything. Dr. Dollar is the GOAT, is the beast. He's the fucking literally the king of GJ. I'll give it to the man for being the king of GJ. I am the Fresh Prince, as you guys can see here, but we definitely got a king in the house, and that is Dr. Dollar. And yeah, I didn't know Luca No Limit came into my chat. Maybe that's why I've never talked to Luca No Limit, but probably he came into my chat and he probably remembered what bullish lifestyle was through this interview. I'm not sure if he mentioned bullish lifestyle yet. I wasn't listening to the interview with you guys because if I turn on my speakers, it starts echoing. But if you guys want to find this link, you guys could. I mean, if you guys could find this, you guys could just Dr. Dollar with Luca No Limit. Yeah. Everybody, if you guys fucking got, if Luca No Limit goes on live, maybe we could go and rate his stream and show him some love. I feel bad that he hopped in and I ignored him. I wasn't trying to ignore him. No need for that. Crazy how he focuses on everybody who goes live and shit. Streamed 45 minutes ago and he went off? What the hell? No, but I've known Dollar my whole life. I've known Dollar. I grew up with Dollar. I've known Dollar literally my whole life. So it's not that I met him and got him into trading. No. I've known him my whole life. So I was the first one who initially told him, look, this is what we got to do. Like this is what people doing. This is what we got to do, and we got to do it. He mentioned Dr. Peso and he said he loves his homie. LOL. He mentioned Dr. Peso and he said he loves his homie. Are you talking about in the interview here or Luca No Limit? Luca, I'm pretty sure he mentions Peso. Y'all boys were demons in school, bro. Yeah, me and Dollar weren't the best of people. We weren't the best of angels. We weren't angels in school at all by any means. GJ is going through there. GJ is actually giving a little bit of retracement at this major level of support. What we're focusing on now is this 4-hour candlestick that is going to close. Wow, new 4-hour candlestick. Wow, time is flying tonight, boys. I apologize that we have been here literally just bobbling and bobbling. I am scared. Look at this red bearish candlestick. Look, huge bearish candlestick. Correction. Big bearish candlestick. Correction to the resistance. Double top. Huge bearish candlestick. Correction. I'm kind of looking at sells here. I definitely see. Bro, was white boy Carl. Guys, I see freaking sells here. Oh, no. Like, I see perfectly why sells could play out. Now, does this look like a little bit of a reversal wedge? And you guys know I love my reversal wedges. 100%. Now, is there enough, like, confirmations in this right now to be like, this is 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches? I prefer to take this at a break of structure, as in if we break out of this wedge right here, come retest, form support, we will catch the long move after that. You know, something like that we could be looking for. But besides that, we have to wait for a candlestick confirmation. We're going to risk. Can you quickly go over creating a trading journal, please, when you have time? I apologize. I read that question I read that one. So I have a trading journal here for you. So go to my description. Go to my description on my YouTube. And you should find the Discord. Make sure you guys join the Discord. The Discord is where I send all the signals. And this is where I have a trading journal for you guys. Go to the spreadsheet section. If you're looking at my screen, look at the left. They're under Forex signals. You'll be able to find spreadsheet. The second link that I have, which is the last link that was sent, look how you guys could download it. You guys could download it and you guys will have your own spreadsheet right there where you guys will be able to log your own trade.
thanks, I'm in the Discord. I'll have a look. From right there, you'll have it, and it has drop downs and everything where you don't have to type in anything. It's all drop downs. Like I drop down GBPJPY, drop down this, drop down the buy and sell, drop down the session. This automatically updates to your right. Your guys' version is a little bit different from mine's. But yeah, so if anybody is not in the Discord, AJ, my homeboy, sent it to the comment section right there. You guys could join the Discord. And yeah. And yeah. All right, so that is the bullish. That is what we do if we're going bullish. We're gonna wait for the bullish to flip, weekly to flip bullish, some candlestick confirmations, and we're gonna catch it flying. We're gonna throw around like a 25 pip. I think 25, 30 pips sounds perfectly fine. Maybe we put 30 pips and we don't extend it, no matter what, 30 pips, and then we let the trade hit and run. So this is the last time I'm gonna say it. So for anybody who actually did purchase a fresh new challenge, DM me to FX Peso. If you guys have FX Peso, please DM me to FX Peso. DM me to my FX Peso channel. Oh, I messed with bots the other day. I think I set commands, bro. I think my commands on this thing should work. High key. Exclamation mark, IG. Let's see if that worked. No, it didn't. That is funny. That is hilarious. I don't even know how to get this goddamn Nightbot to work. Like I Oh, look at AJ. Yo. AJ, you're getting me confused. I thought that you were my actual bot. Like you're my moderator, but you're not my actual bot. Brother, AJ, look at my screen right now. Look at my screen. Log in with YouTube. I'm here. Oh, that's not even the correct YouTube channel. Log in with YouTube. Bullish lifestyle. Oh my god. Look, I got commands set right here. Custom. Are these enabled? You cannot call the same commands as an alias. I do not know what that means. I don't even know if that was intended for me. Let me see. Discord. I cannot call commands set as the same alias. What the hell does that even mean? User level, everyone. Wow, everyone should be able to. This guy's trying out the spreadsheet. I love that, John Holmes. All right, let me see if that works myself. If I can hit the spreadsheet. The last attempt, guys. My bad. Spreadsheet. Go see GBP right now. All right. Sentry is going to hit the gym. He says, have a good day, Sentry. Thank you for coming and joining the stream. I apologize that we have not caught anything yet. There's Monday open. Nobody's trying to be really too aggressive here. The market's not giving us much to look at, but nonetheless, thank you for coming and enjoying. See you very soon, brother. See you very soon. And GBP's going. GBP's going. It's literally trickling up, though. It's really not done much. I'm not here to catch nothing. I'm here to learn and have a good time. Sentry, I fucking love your energy. Thank you so much, brother. About to hit the gym myself. Yo, Pablo, You guys should see my boy Pablo. I met him like 3 years ago, 2 years ago. I'm not exactly sure. Man's a great musician. Fucking awesome dude and a great musician. Fucking plays the fucking dope ass music. He's the bass player in a band, in a jazz band, I think. And I could be wrong. He could not be playing music anymore. Doesn't change the fact that he's an artist. Great musician. Boy looks like a fucking human machine now. He be going to the gym and shit. He been going to the gym. He consistent as hell there and shit. He puts in the work. And that boy's definitely a goddamn little machine. A little Terminator in the making. Duncan Chevesy. Oh, dude, I was reading my own comment and I was like, dude, somebody's fucking acting to be like me in the comments. Pablo says, W Pablo, appreciate you, my boy. Appreciate you, Pablo, for coming and showing some love, bro. Always with the gang. I appreciate it. I appreciate. FX Pablo Hustle. Put FX Pablo Hustle in the put your Instagram so motherfuckers could join and see what's up with you. You wanna great trader also. Trades EJ for anybody who loves trading EJ and trading UJ and stuff like that. Dinner with the fam now. I'll be back after. Hopefully I don't miss out on a trade. John's, up to the moment, does not look like you will be missing out on a trade. Doesn't look like there's many trades, but have a great dinner with the family, bro. Or great dinner. Have a great dinner with the family. Dude, it must be awesome having your own little family and stuff. I'm young still. I'm well, young relatively. I'm in my mid-20s. I'm 24, but I think I like the idea of having like your own little family and, you know, eating dinner with everybody every single day. Dude, I like the cells, guys. I really like the cells. I don't know how I feel about this. Can you talk more about your EA if that's coming soon? Yes, I will have a EA that will be dropping very promptly within a month, max. Within a month. I'll give you guys within a month, I will have an EA. I'll have an automatic trading service. I'll have two services. One where it's going to be a bot that is going to be able to pass challenges for you guys 100%. 100% win rate. It would be able to pass challenges only that accept bots. So my fork funds, stuff like that. I will also have a different bot that is going to be connected to my signals. So you guys will be able to connect your guys' accounts to basically my signals. Every time I send a signal, it will hop in the trade for you and it will hop out the trade for you whenever I hop out. And that bot is being worked on right now. That's going to be the main thing that I'm going to be focusing on. The account challenge passing is just going to be a small thing, because it's going to be with account with, it's not with every prop firm. Like you can't just pull out a FTMO account on it. So it's very specific. I'm going to tell you guys straight up how it is. I'm not going to be like, oh, we can pass all your challenges. And no. We're not here to ruin our face. We're not here to do anything dirty. We're only here to provide the best services possible and the services that I know I can complete. So that is going to be happening very, very soon. We're going to be passing people's challenges with our signals, and we're going to be passing people's challenges with literally bots that take the trades for them. So that is the two different bots that we're having coming very soon, as well as our course. We also have our spreadsheet here, and our second link right here in the spreadsheet section. That's for everybody. So we got our spreadsheet coming, we got our course coming, we got two different bots coming for you guys. A whole bunch of things coming in the making. Obviously dropping reels all the time. We got some good reels coming out. We're dropping some tomorrow. The team finished the editing for this one. I am not my own editor. I have a videographer and editor that does all the editing, so I give her all the props every time anything gets done on the reels. Guys, we have 54 people. Let's see how many freaking likes we got in here. Last time I'm going to say, make sure if you guys bought an FTMO challenge to take it with me, I want you guys to DM me personally, because I'm going to put us in a small little groups where I can make sure that we are all on the same page. If you purchase a challenge, make sure you are not worried that I'm going to just randomly be like, guys, we're hopping in a trade. I'm going to try making sure I can DM that little group just in case, we get a little bit distracted in the lives. Like right now, I'm going to be extra patient. I see a sell. I would take a sell over a buy, but due to the fact that I am not comfortable with taking a sell, and due to the fact that I am bullish when it comes to major price action, I definitely don't want to be counter trend trading, and it's definitely not in my best interest to just take a random trade, especially because it is Monday. It is Monday open. There is no news, and thank God it's not CPI week. So we got Friday. All right, so we got CPI week is going to be next week. Cleaning up the charts real quick. So the important levels that I have marked up on my charts that I want you guys to be focused on is this weekly bullish flip. This weekly bullish flip is going to give us a lot of indications of where we're going to go. This 4-hour candlestick is obviously looking now that it's going to come and engulf this previous 4-hour candlestick, which is great bullish price action. Now is when I look at this whole retracement move that happened and I go, oh wow, I missed out on 30 pips, right? Not even, hasn't even gone 23 pips. Never mind, we've missed out on nothing, boys. This has literally been nothing. All right, so we got the Javi that sent me on Instagram, DM you on Discord or IG on FX Peso. Just DM me on FX Peso. So if anybody that is not here, we opened up an FTMO challenge 100K account, and we're going to pass it live in front of everybody. Not all at once today. Obviously, we're taking trade by trade, one trade at a time, one trade per session. We're using my same trading style that we have been using to be able to get our win rate record. We are on an 8-win streak in May. In April, we went on a 9-win streak. That would be amazing if we actually get to continue that win streak. Tell me who the fuck has been trading live as good as me. You guys tell me. Tell me. You guys send me his goddamn live. I'm going to rewatch every single one of his lives. Or send me anybody's live that trades GJ. And I want to hear how many times their silly butts said that they're taking sells and that price looks like it's going to start retracing and that sells. When I've been telling you guys for the last freaking 3-4 weeks, guys, GJ is bullish. GJ is bullish. It's very simple. GJ is bullish. Wait for price to retrace. We're taking a buy. And for anybody that thinks GJ is bearish, they are going to lose. I've been saying that, and we have been popping off on the signals, and it has a set of course. So we purchased an FTMO challenge because we are going to show you guys how we are going to pass it. We're going to pass it by using the cushion strategy. What is a cushion strategy? Cushion strategy is a strategy I invented. On this 100K account, our first trades, we're going to be targeting $300 to $600 per trade. Once we hit that, we're going to try to get a little bit of a cushion of 2%, 3%. And after that, we're going to start risking 1% to 1.5% per trade. And we're just going to start averaging into our trade and try to just, start risking being a bit more aggressive with our trades whenever we start feeling very confident on where we know price is moving at during the week. So once I understand that this weekly flip's bullish and I start seeing us break new highs and I know that we have to wick fill everything up top, that is when I'm going to decide to be aggressive. Now, if it's towards the downside, I'm going to start being aggressive once I start seeing that this low of the week that we completely retrace from gets hit again, and then we start completely trying to engulf this candlestick down here. And but this candlestick has so much bullish price action. I'm very bullish. That's the reason I don't want to take a sell, even though it looks like we have a little bit of a fib short here, which hasn't been playing out at all as price has been moving up on it. But this right here, this is still a little bit of a fib short for anybody who is. This last level of support, 764 level. The last level of support is a 764 level. 0618 can still be held. Guys, whenever you guys are trading Fibonacci, it's not that you guys need to take it. It's not like, oh, it hit the 764 level. It means it's gonna hold and it's gonna bounce. No, wait for there to become just a confirmation. Like, as there's a possibility that this candlestick could close under the 618 level, and that's the confirmation for it bouncing off the 0618 level. Like, just because it's touching like it is doing right now. So it's not that it was bouncing off the 764. It's actually bouncing off the 0618. You have to make sure you're paying attention to the candlestick openings and closings. So right now, we have 20 minutes for this 1 hour candlestick to close. In 20 minutes, where's this 1 hour candlestick going to do? Is this 1 hour candlestick going to flip bearish, or is it going to stay bullish, and then or is it going to play out? I mean, this fib looks pretty valid, the short fib. Bro, do you think DXY on the 15-minute time frame is about to flip bullish? Let's look at the DXY. So, I don't think it's about to flip bullish. I think it could definitely close the way it's going to close. And then we can have the next bullish candlestick. Man, it looks like a great trade. Looks like a great trade. Whoever thinks DXY, I mean, obviously you can't trade the DXY like that, but if you're looking at it, I think the dollar is about to pump. So if we start looking at maybe USD CAD, look at this USD CAD support is actually being formed right now. Yeah, I like that. Whoever said that, Elijah Salah, I like what you're looking at, brother. You're looking at great things. DXY looks like it's getting ready to do a little bit of a pump. DXY pumps, what does that mean to GBPJPY? Could somebody answer that for me? If DXY pumps, what does that mean to GBPJPY? I think that means it goes down. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it goes down. I just bought USD CHF. Look at how we did on USD CHF. We got that right here. Sheesh. This is the trade I threw on USD CHF, hoping that price would retrace and then keep on respecting the little trend line. Now, what I don't like, hopefully for the USD CHF, this sadly looks like it could be an ascending wedge, which is a short pattern. Like, hopefully this doesn't play out right here. Targeting bottom of the structure, respecting 90% rule. That's what I don't want to happen. Unpump. Bro, all my stocks and crypto investments, we're about to have a bullish market in 2024. Bro, for all my stocks and crypto investors, we're about to have a bullish market.
Don't tell me that, because I'm super down on crypto. So if I look at crypto right now and it is not pumping, you're gonna get my hopes up for no reason. You heard? I am down around minimum $40,000, maximum $50-something thousand. If I'm including profits that I could have closed in from, probably down like fucking $60,000-$70,000 from all-time highs of crypto. So crypto has just been, for the last 2 years, just something that I just don't look at. You just keep on losing money and you just keep on putting money into it and hoping it comes back around. At first it wasn't like that, but once you start losing a whole bunch of money, that's what it fucking turns into. That's the truth. So I'm down a whole bunch of money on crypto. All right, we're about to hit our weekly bullish flip. All right, so this is why it's important to mark these indicators on, like, look, this is the only thing I have on my chart, guys. This is the only, I don't even have SMAs up. I do like trading with SMA, so if you guys have your 8 SMA and your 50 SMA, keep that on. If you guys have any other indicators like VWAPs, volatility indicators, RSIs, stop. I'm telling you right now, stop. That's it. It stops today. That's it. No more of that. No more of that. Enough. That's just messing with your psychology. You're thinking about too many things. You know, those indicators are, the only thing that those indicators are indicating is literally what's happening on the charts in front of you. It's not like it's predicting anything. It's literally not predicting anything. It's literally just telling you what's happening on the chart in front of you. So they're not predictors. They're not going to give you a good strategy. The only thing it's going to do is going to fuck you up and make you overthink shit. Clean candlesticks. That's all we got to look at. Market structure. So when our weekly flips bullish, it will be above this level. And then what do? We see support and resistance. Support and resistance act like magnets. We got a magnet right there. We got a magnet at this level right over here. And then we got a magnet all the way down here. Looks like we're bullish on GJ. I'm bullish on GJ. VWAP for stocks is very important. I agree. VWAP for stocks is very important. I completely agree on that one. That is the one that holds accountable. That is the one that holds to be true. Guys, nobody told me that I had you guys weren't hearing echo right now. I had my audio supposedly was playing right here. But I guess it's not being captured. I'm looking at my audio. Oh, I muted my desktop audio. Wow, so we've been in pure silence, brothers. We haven't even been listening to music. You guys are tripping. You guys didn't get bored of hearing my voice? When I start recording and editing my voice, like I've recorded reels and stuff like that, I get so tired of listening to my voice. Like by the end of the night, I'm just like, bro, I fucking sound ridiculously bad on fucking mic. Like, fuck that. All right, 59 viewers. How many viewers? 59 viewers, and we got 53 likes. Guys, if you guys did not drop a like yet, make sure you drop a like for this. If you guys are not familiar with what we are doing with, if this is your first stream and you're not familiar with what we are doing with this 100K account, let me know in the comments so I can give an explanation. If you guys do know what we're talking about, then you guys don't need to really say anything. 1 second, I'm gonna blow my nose. Duncan, can your EA trade on live accounts? Let me know, G. 1 second. All right, so my EA, I will have one bot that is I'm gonna have a bot by next month that is gonna be able to connect to my signals, as in every time I send a signal to this Discord server, it will execute the trade for you. That you will be able to connect to live accounts. Just started, no trades so far. Yes, no trades so far. So I'm gonna have a bot that is gonna connect to my Discord, and every time I send a trade to the Discord, it's gonna be able to send it to your account and activate it for you and close it for you. So that is going to be active on live accounts, but the one that passes your FTMO challenges, which is a different bot that I will have, it is 100% guarantee pass on, that one will not be available on live accounts because live accounts can detect those bots and then they just shut your account down. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. Just started, no trade so far. Is like copy trading, exactly. I will have a bot that does copy trading. Why are you doing this for free, may I ask? Use Nations Trading though. Why am I doing what for free? Why am I live streaming for free, or why am I passing a 100K account for free? There's many reasons why I could do it for free, why I am doing it for free.
But which one? So why am I passing the 100K account for? Why am I live streaming for free? Because it is a great way to build a community and to be able to show you guys the transparency of what a real full-time trader does. Like I'm probably the closest average Joe to you guys. Like I'm not nobody that has fucking loads of Lamborghinis and mansions. Definitely way up, probably past what the typical 24-year-old has my age. And I think it'd be great for you guys to see like what it actually is for an average trader, somebody who lives off trading. I've been living off trading for the last 3 years. I started trading maybe like 5 years ago. And yeah, I think that the transparency between the YouTube live, so you guys can see like my spreadsheet and like, not my spreadsheet, but like I'm saying my spreadsheet as in like how I perform in the market and how we take wins and losses. We've been taking a lot of goddamn wins. So it's funny, but yeah, basically so you guys can see the transparency of how a real-time trader does and what it really is to be a fucking full-time trader. And then when it comes down to the FTMO challenge, is because I see a whole bunch of people doing FTMO challenge passes of like people. For example, I have my boy AJ in here, the guy who's the moderator. He asked me to pass this challenge for him, and he was like, "Yo, I'm sorry, I didn't even know if you." Regardless, he was like, "Yo, if you could get a challenge pass for me, pass one for me." And I was like, "Brother." I was like, there's no need for that. I was like, we could do it live together. I was like, I'm not going to charge you anything just because I'm already focused on setting signals and I know we can do it live together. And I don't really want to be able to take somebody's account. There's always a possibility of losses. This is something I know we could do together because I know I could pass this challenge. And therefore, I don't know. I got confused with what the reason I'm doing this whole FTMO thing for free. I mean, I don't know. Fuck. I'm not going to charge you guys to copy my trades. That's what I'm doing with the signals. You guys already copied my trades with the signals. Now, the only thing that I'm going to be doing is putting extra pressure on myself to be able to tell you guys what lot size. So now, besides giving you guys the signal, I'm going to be giving you guys the lot size and the exit. So why am I giving you guys the lot size and the exit for free? I guess it's to show you guys that I really fucking do this shit. And after the time that I really do this shit, the next time will be paid. Hey, stop the cap. Stop the cap. Sounds like a lot of cap. I agree with that. That's exactly why I'm doing this whole thing for free. It's to stop the cap. I don't know why I'm doing this for free. So you can repeat. So can you repeat which is your Discord channel? My Discord channel is in the comment section right now that AJ is going to send, and it is in the description. And then once you join the Discord channel, if you want to see how we have been performing on the admin signals, you guys just go to the spreadsheet section and you guys go to this first link. Once you guys go to this first link, you guys will be opened up to my spreadsheet section. All these trades have been called out live. We could go to April and we see that we went on a 9-win streak, stopped the cap, and then we went on a 3-loss streak. After the 3-loss streak, we started this month with a 4-win streak, a couple break-even trades, and now we are back on an 8-win streak. All trades called and managed live. If you guys want to watch the replays of the live streams, you guys can watch the replays of the live streams to be able to see the cap. But besides that, yeah, so we started popping off on the signals, and then I got confident, and I'm like, yo, I'm going to tell these guys how we can pass an FTMO challenge together. Admit I was trying to beat you before you said check on the bio. I bet you were. Can I ask what your basic breakdown is for the trade for taking trades? My basic breakdown. So I only trade GBPJPY. So and I remember somebody asked me a couple days ago. They were like, "Oh, I just barely joined your channel. I want to know what your trading strategy is for GBPJPY." I majority trade bounces and rejections. So I usually buy when I buy low, sell high. You know, like I wouldn't be taking impulse trades. What am I looking at right now? I'd be looking at a sell if I was taking a sell due to the fact that price came from this high to this low. You know, I see this is the impulse. This is a great Fibonacci short. I'm not sure what your level of trading is, but if you understand trading, this is the type of trades that I like taking, bounces. Now, due to the fact that I know that GJ is very bullish, I'm not trying to take a counter trend trade. So what am I doing? I'm waiting for price to actually retrace so I could actually catch a bounce. I trade pure price action, so I use a lot of reversal patterns and a lot of market structure, kind of like SM smart money concepts type shit. But the trading strategy is very dynamic. It changes as we go. Like sometimes it really depends on the price action. So today is Monday. We see that we're going to be low volume. At the beginning of the day, we had the information that we had no news. No news is the type of news already. No news is news already itself. No news means that we're not going to be very volatile. Therefore, when we weren't very volatile, when we started reaching this level of support, I understood that if we're not going to be very volatile, I have a great understanding that the chance of us melting through price like crazy is very low. So no news means low volume on a Monday, means that most likely we're going to be ranging and price is going to move very choppily. And that started to play out true. As you guys can see, it has been like 2 hours and something minutes, and we have only moved like 30 pips max. From ultimate tip, we have only moved like 35 pips, I think. Ultimate tip to tip, 45 pips. 45 pips for 2 hours and something on a GJ London Open is not normal. So we have not taken a trade on a GJ London Open that has only moved 40 pips, more than GJ London Open. We've been on GJ's been open for 3 hours right now, boys. 2 hours and 50 minutes. 2 hours and 50 minutes for price to move 40 pips. Therefore, we did not miss out on any move. I'm telling you guys, we did not miss out on any move if price has only gone up 40 goddamn pips. I feel like every trade develops, maybe every trader, but every trade develops their own trading strategy that only they understand them really well. And to the point where so yeah, that's exactly why, man, live trading was one of the most important things that I did to try to start learning how to trade. I learned off of Daniel Savage's live trades. When he started live trading, that's when I really saw a change in my journey. You guys are supposed to be taking my opinions just with a grain of salt. Like my trades also with a grain of salt, as in like you're supposed to just accumulate these grains of salt and learn off of what I'm looking at, See, understand, you don't have to agree with what I'm looking at, but I want you to understand what I'm looking at. And after it plays out or it doesn't play out, use that as a mental note and keep on adding and adding and adding. I want you guys to just learn off of little things of how I react when I'm in a trade, how I react when I'm looking at price. Like I've been here for 2 hours and 30 minutes, 2 hours and how long have I been here? Live, 2 hours and 20 minutes. We have been here live, and I have not been like, oh, I think I'm gonna hop in. No, never mind. Like I'm understanding what's happening with GJ due to the fact that I watch this pair every single day. So I recognize what's normal on a GJ London Open, and I recognize what's normal 2 hours later into GJ when London doesn't start moving. It doesn't have a lot of volatility. So all these little factors are what gives me my opinion on GJ and gives me my bias. I've been calling out buys on GJ for the last 2 months, and it has been all playing out accordingly. Even on these huge retracements that we have had, we have been able to maintain profitability. So, bro, triple top and downtrend on GJ on the 15-minute. I agree. I think that, yeah, triple top, downtrend, 0618 level holding, 764 level on the Fibonacci holding right here, 764. Whoop, where's my Fib? 764, actually holding. Just like I said, I'm very, very, very bullish on GJ. So me taking a sell, even though the sell looks valid, it's like my strategy, my rule book tells me, and this is for the people that are watching, to take the FTMO challenge with me, the FTMO challenge trade with me. Since you guys messaged me, this is the first day that you guys are going to be having to sit down watching doing nothing. But for those who took it seriously and bought a challenge to pass this with me, by this time I probably would have sent you a message saying price action is not looking good. I will message this WhatsApp group if we are taking, or this private group if we're taking a trade. But I would just be still on live waiting for something to happen. But I'll tell you right off the bat, guys, it doesn't look like we're taking a trade. Why? Because I'm not because that's exactly why. Like I'm here because I take trades myself and I'm down to show you guys. But I'm not here because I'm trying to randomly take a trade for you guys. So me being here randomly trying to take a trade, I'll tell you guys, yeah, I'm telling you, this short does look great. The sell does look good. Am I going to take it myself? No. Therefore, I'm not going to tell you to take it. Now, do I think it looks good? 100%. The sell looks super valid. The sells look very valid. We're maintaining at this level of support and shit. Huge impulses, rejection, impulse, rejection, impulse, correction, not rejection. And I am only looking for a sell on GJ. Look at that. So I love that. When I hop onto the charts, I like determining my bias right off the bat. This guy says he's looking for a sell on GJ. That is good. That is a good mindset. That is a great mindset. Even though I think it's the wrong bias, I could be the wrong bias, but it's a good mindset. My mindset is that I'm looking for buys. Therefore, what I need for buys, I need price to retrace and start showing me levels of support. Now, he's looking for sells. What does that mean? It means he's waiting for resistance to form. He's waiting for this triple top to hit completely, but he's choosing his bias, and he's not being like, oh, now I feel like price is going up, so I'm gonna buy, and then, oh, now I'm gonna sell. If you have that mentality, you should really stop off the moment and take the day off the trading, Figure out your bias. Have an exact bias, and then start waiting for that setup to happen. And that's kind of goes with the same fact of why I like having. So one of the majority of ways that I got this 8 win streak going, and then the month before we got the 9 win streak going, is because I used to throw 20 pip stop losses. Now I'm throwing 30 pip stop losses to even 40 pip stop losses. Why am I throwing 40 pip stop losses? Due to the fact that if I throw an extra large stop loss and I get the bias of the night correct, chances are by the end of the session and going into New York session, we will be near my take profit if I got the bias correct. Therefore, just getting the bias correct will help you become a profitable trader if you're throwing larger stop losses, due to the fact that you'll give yourself a higher percent chance of actually hitting the trade. Because this is the worst, when you actually are correct in the bias, you throw a stop loss, what you think is support, price comes, stops you out, and then it ends up flying. Like, I'd rather get my trade wrong, getting my bias wrong, than getting my trade wrong and my bias correct. So if my bias is correct, my trades are usually correct. And because I'm looking at the higher time frames all the time on the GJ, I have a great understanding that GJ has been bullish on the higher time frames for a very long amount of time. So I'm always waiting for price. For the last few weeks, I've been waiting for price to retrace, and I'm literally only sniped buys left and right. Now, it bit me in the ass a couple times with the break-evens. Maybe it bit me in the ass a couple of times with 3 losses. But man, so the first month we took 13 trades, 2 break-evens, so we won 9 times, and 2 break-evens, 2 losses. And then the second month we lost once, 4 break-evens. And I don't know how many trades we've taken. I think we've taken, it says right here, 8, 10, 8, 12, 13. We also only took 13 trades, 4 break-evens, 1 loss. Wow, we're at 13 and 13. Next trade will be, guys, I want to get the 9-win streak again. I want to beat the 9-win streak. But that's why I've been holding larger stop losses. It's because it's easier to just get the bias correct and hit your trade. So if you get the bias correct, hit your trade with a larger stop loss. Not too large. Like this could easily get stopped out, but if it gets stopped out, most likely my bias was incorrect. This 4-hour high key looks like it start flipping bearish. And if it doesn't start flipping bearish, it's going to start breaking this level, then break this level, and break this level. Once it breaks all those levels, man, we are so bullish. So bullish. The way you break it down is so beautiful. Good shit, bro. I'm glad you're having a great understanding of I guess all this blabbering is just so you guys can understand what I'm looking at when I'm looking at GJ. Guys, we are not in the trade, by the way. I was giving a breakdown. I apologize if you guys think we are not in the trade. When I send a trade, when we hop into a trade on live, boys, for anybody who is not familiar with being here, we always send a trade. Ooh, any comments? I love this. All right, this is Australian dollar, US dollar. I love the market structure. You see clear lower highs, higher lows, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. This is the higher low. He's predicting a new lower low. It's not even targeting the new lower low. He's just targeting the bottom of the market structure, which is an assured take profit as price actually starts retracing. Great trade. If you guys want to send your guys' analysis, you guys could just go to the members analysis group right here, members analysis or live stream analysis, and we start seeing everybody's trades. But admin signals, make sure guys, if we're on a live stream, I'm always going to send my trade to the admin signal. So if you guys hear it on the Discord, or I'll tell you guys, we're hopping into this trade right now, blah, 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 blah. And because we are doing this FTMO challenge that I just opened up an FTMO challenge with everybody in this live stream. We are going to be taking 1 trade a day on this live stream of this FTMO challenge, and I'm going to be posting the trading metrics before. I'm going to be posting the trading metrics after. I'm going to be telling you guys what lot size we're taking on the trade. I'm going to be telling you how much we are risking, and you guys are going to be able to follow along. There's a couple people that purchased the challenges with me, so they will be able to follow along. Guys, we got 64 people, 57 likes. If we reach, that's at 75 likes. 75 likes, enough for 75 likes. We can do a giveaway. If not, we're doing 100 likes. I am not 100% decided. I think 75 likes is a good target. So a couple more likes, and we'll probably do a giveaway, 5K account giveaway. We did 2 giveaways last week. AJ was one of the winners, and AJ gave it away to somebody else. AJ, there was somebody who won in our group last week, and that person decided to give it away to somebody else, and that somebody else decided to give it away to AJ. So it was a very dope. Thank you for the like, brother. John Juan. Yeah, John Juan. But look, guys, GJ right now, remember at the beginning of the session, we said that we're not going to have a lot of volatility. Most likely we are going to be ranging. We have not gone many places at all. Just Isaac Amartafil. I want to learn how to say that name. Isaac Amartafilio. How can I win the giveaway? How can I win the giveaway? The giveaways that we have are done with random generators. We have random name generators that you guys just need to be a part of the live stream, and you guys will be able to be inside the giveaway. So imagine, for anybody who is not familiar with how we do our giveaways, guys, if you guys are not familiar with our giveaways, we do giveaways every single week. So make sure you guys subscribe, follow our Instagram and our social medias to be a part of the giveaways. Top command Discord. That doesn't even work. How is this our top command? Like, the command doesn't even goddamn work. What the fuck are you talking about? All right. Well, what we usually do is that we just go to giveaways, and then we usually just click active users, no timeout. Oh. And then everybody who usually starts talking gets triggered into this giveaway. As in, all you need to do is comment in the comment section, and then you're an eligible. You see how the human project just became eligible in the giveaway. So whenever we do a giveaway, we just open this up, and then the people who end up talking end up becoming eligible. Have that away. So how many likes do we got right now? 60. Wow. Huge possibility to reach target. Huge possibility to reach target. When we look at GJ, any other pairs that you guys want me to do a little breakdown of, or anything that you guys are not understanding that we're doing with this challenge? That's a lot of confluence for selling. That's a lot of confluence for selling for sell sun or selling GJ. Yes, you on point. Bro, SQL is going crazy right now. Guys, goddamn GJ, how come other GBP pairs are moving? Can you do an analysis on COM? I'm confused. What is COM? Gold. I want to see how gold's doing real quick. Where's my gold? Gold. Right here. So gold had its pump, and then now it came down a little bit. And it's also a little bit in a range. Good morning, everyone. Buenos dias a todos. Not calm. Corn. Oh, my bad. My bad. Guys, ticker symbol for corn. I know everybody knows the ticker symbol for oil and corn. I just fucking... I don't. I always forget them. Yeah, you could trade corn, you could trade rice, you could trade grain, you could trade goddamn anything that's think about it. But back then in the day, people used to use as currencies cows. You know, you used to trade whatever the fuck you want. It's 5 a.m. in Chicago. Right now in Miami, it is 6 a.m., brothers. It is 6 a.m. in Miami. I cannot believe that price has not done anything. Six a.m. JFX. My dog Willie. Oh my god, my dog Willie's here. Imagine had Gabby out here trading goddamn corn like it was goddamn he's in the Wolf of Wall Street. Are you looking for buys on GJ? Yes, I am looking for buys on GJ. Willie, why does Willie ask questions he already knows? Willie's been here before. Willie, what do you see besides, like, when on my trading log, do you see any sells here? I know Willie's always here. Willie's always here, and Willie's always here. That's why he won the giveaway. Willie's one of our giveaway winners. Now watch, bro. I'm about to break something. All right, guys. How many likes have we got? 61. All right, 70 likes. We're doing a giveaway, guys. 70 likes. We are doing a giveaway. 9 more likes, and we do a giveaway, guys. So if you guys are in the trade, if you guys here, give a like. Give a like. 9 more likes. We do a giveaway. All right, 8 more likes and we do a giveaway. We're going to do a 5K account giveaway. 5K account giveaway. So 5K account giveaway for any challenge. Please, sunrise, 6:32 a.m. in Miami. Praying for that giveaway. Come on, guys. We need a couple more likes to be able to get this giveaway. Everybody, if you guys want the giveaway, everybody start typing in the comment section like for giveaway, like for giveaway, because I know there's people in here that haven't liked it for sure. And yeah, so you guys want to do a 5K account giveaway, 5K challenge account giveaway? I can send it to you in cash, send it to you in crypto, buy the account for you, whichever. We need 7 more likes. 7 more likes, and we're doing an account crypto giveaway. Or we give the cash. Everyone just send like for giveaway, because I know that there's people that don't listen. They watch multiple streams, and yeah, you never know what goes on. Like for giveaway. And while people are liking, $65, 5 more people. Wow. That's working, guys. Wow. That is actually working. And then when I go into the eligible users, how do I get people to start becoming eligible users? Let's see. Four more. Everybody, I need you guys to start commenting. Every guys, if you want to participate in the giveaway, make sure you guys are commenting right now. Anything.
Duncan, I am networking with my boys. Mark my word, G. I am a blessed hold the community with 6 picks on prize breaks, 25x all my fellow gamblers. Cheers! 17 eligible users on a giveaway. Guys, we should have a lot more eligible users. If you guys want to participate in this giveaway, make sure you start commenting in the section. To be able to participate in the giveaway, you need to comment in the section. That will automatically put you in as... If you guys not able to comment, you guys need to subscribe. Wow. How do I make sure that this... How do I make sure that people stop getting logged out of the... Anybody are familiar with Dr. Dollar's giveaways? How do I make sure that people stop getting logged out of this? Like it takes everybody out of the eligible users randomly. Oh, I need to put mods so AJ can participate. There you go. Mods are available. Regulars are available. Or mods. Somewhere needs to be a time limit. Users active with the 1 minutes are eligible to win. Oh, so it needs to be like, I need to put like a 10 minutes. Wait, users active within the past 10 minutes. We hit 70? All right, boys, we're doing a giveaway. I want everybody to start commenting to be able to be an eligible user. Regulars get the same luck. Everybody's gonna have the same luck. Same luck everywhere around the board. 22 eligible users. Everybody comment in the comment section. Comentan en la sección de comentos si quieren participar en el giveaway. Vamos a hacer un giveaway y la manera de participar necesitas echar un comentario and you guys will be able to participate. Comment, 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 comment. There's no way we only got 22 people. That is so freaking weird. 23 people. 23 people. 25 people. Come on, we're getting there. When we need to get to like 35, 40. Everybody like 27 people, 28 people. Guys, if you guys want to participate in the giveaway, make sure you like. Si estás viendo, comenta en la sección de comentarios y vas a participar en el giveaway. We're doing a 5K account giveaway, or we could give the money, send the crypto, whatever you guys are most comfortable with. We are doing a giveaway, boys. So everyone, giveaway time. Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, make sure you comment in the comment section and you will be able to participate in the giveaway. 33 people. We need to reach 40. Once we reach 40, I think it'll be a perfect amount. I apologize for those who are here waiting. I'm pretty sure nobody's going to get timed out. I put the users active within 11 minutes, so nobody should get timed out. Everyone like. Everyone keep on putting like or something like that. If you already commented, you don't need to comment multiple times. One comment is just fine. It just helps people start paying attention if they haven't liked it yet. And I'm gonna scroll through the bottom of the section. The bottom of the section is Willie, We Trade, Tony, The Human, Steve, Stand Up, Savio, Realist, Neil, Mohammed, Mateo, Marina, Larry, Kate. Ooh, Kate's in here. Had Bravitt goes, Frank. Ooh, Frank's in here. Dave, Chang, Casper, Blodge, AJ. 36 people. All right. We're getting ready to do a giveaway. We're gonna do a giveaway within like 2 minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. 36 people, 2 more minutes, and we're doing the giveaway. If you guys did not comment in the comment section, and if you guys can't comment in the comment section, it's due to the fact that you guys are not subscribed. So subscribe, and you guys will be able to be in the comment section. And then after the subscription, you guys will be able to participate in the giveaway. We're doing a 5K account giveaway. I think we're literally less than 2 minutes. I think we're fine right now. Less than 2 minutes, because I mean, I'm pretty sure at 40. Should I do it 40? All right, 40. We're finally here at 40. Remove me if possible. Frank, why? Frank, you are staying. You don't want the account giveaway, Frank? Swedish people are too good for that? Shout out from K-Town. Oof, that is awesome. Guys, if you want to participate in the giveaway, make sure you give a comment right now. And you guys, make sure you guys leave a comment in the comment section. 76 likes, that is amazing. You guys are freaking beasts. Nightbot. All right, guys, let's do this giveaway. We're rolling it right now. Do you guys want me to show it on the screen, or you guys want me to not show it on the screen? Woo, we're getting ready to do the giveaway. Let's do it. You guys ready? We're rolling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm doing it. There's 41 people now, so if anybody just barely joined, make sure you subscribe to be able to text. We're doing it right now. I'm rolling, rolling, rolling. Give it to me. I need it, bro. I love that. Right when I rolled it, that's one of the comments he put. Guys, you guys gotta give a congratulations to this dude. Congratulations to this dude. That is beast. That is beast. That is beast. That is beast. So he won a 5K account giveaway, and because you guys are awesome, you guys always know I do more than one account giveaway. We're gonna do one more right here. So that was the 50K. That was the 5K account giveaway. So that person won whatever the equivalent of 5K account is. The next winner, I'm gonna roll this one more time, is gonna win in US dollars what half of that is. Or should we just do another 5K account? We'll do 5K account again. This person, second winner, is gonna win also a 5K account. So if you guys want to be a part of another 5K account giveaway, just make sure you guys comment. 41 eligible users. Everybody who was in it already is eligible in it already. 5K account giveaway, 5K account giveaway. That is like $50. I'm not really sure. Or we could just, 5K account giveaway, 5K account giveaway. This guy says 6K. All right, another winner. So make sure, hey, stand up archives. Make sure that you message me, DM me on FX Peso. And we're rolling again. David Martins, you are the winner for tonight. Guys, if you guys did not win tonight, make sure you guys always fucking subscribe and make sure you guys follow us because we always are doing giveaways. We literally do like 2 giveaways a week. We're probably going to do another one on Friday. Every time we reach our goal with our likes, which today the goal was 75 likes, we do giveaways. We reached it quickly. That was awesome. Guys, make sure you guys go to the Discord section and you guys check out our spreadsheet. I always like telling you guys to check out our spreadsheet so you guys could actually try to come back and follow our signals. I am confident to tell you guys that we are going to do very well on GJ. We, in April, went on a 9-win streak, all live trades called, all live trades managed. We went on a 3-loss streak to then just recover it right now through this month with an 8-win streak. 8-win streak. David, make sure that you message me on DM also. You want another you want a 5K account. David hasn't even said anything after he won. Oh yeah, he did say something. David, congratulations. Thank you for being here and participating, brother. David, you're a beast. I'm glad one person said thank you. Somebody said I really need it, and then they ended up winning it, and David looked also very appreciative. So guys, just be good supports. I promise you we're gonna do hella giveaways. If you guys are regulars here, I'm gonna make sure that the next 2 giveaways that we do, I'm gonna make sure that the regulars are the ones that are gonna have the higher amount of luck. So if you guys are a part and coming back next time, I could do that. So like if you guys see channel members, so for the regulars that usually come back, I'm gonna put either 3 times, and then for channel members, I don't think we have channel members. So for the regulars, people that come back all the time and watch my stream, I'm gonna have you guys at 3 times more likely chance to win. So David has been here before, so I'm glad he won. If I'm not mistaken, he has been here before. Like I said, GJ is finally breaking through this resistance. I think that's weekly. That's a weekly bullish flip. Yeah, we are near the weekly bullish flip at GJ. Get ready for maybe huge rejections for the fake out, or if not, the bullish pump. Make sure you guys, like I said, go to the spreadsheet section. You guys will be able to see the track record and then know if you want to come back. Soon, we're going to have a bot that's going to have every signal I send, be able to attach it to your guys' accounts. We're also going to be doing challenge passing, 100% guaranteed with anything that all the challenges that accept the bots. This week specifically, I literally just started, for anybody who has not been here for the whole stream, I just barely started an FTMO challenge. As you guys can see, we have the account trading metrics. No trades taken, 100K account. There's a couple people that have purchased a 100K account with me or other challenges that they have, and we're going to be taking every trade together. I'm going to show you guys the lot size before we take a trade. I'm going to show you guys how much I am risking. Like I have my JPY position size calculator out. We're going to close the trade together. We're going to take the trade together, and we're going to literally pass the challenge all together. I'm going to try to make it as organized as possible, so I'm never going to just be randomly, oh, we're hopping in a trade, risk 0.5%. No. I'm going to be like, is everybody ready? All right, I'm going to risk 0.5% right now, guys. So everybody knew that right now that I'm looking at their market, I'm ready to risk 0.5%, right? I told everybody I might risk 25 pips to 35 pips. Regardless, I have it right here. We're going to be calculated all together and always put it. So if you guys want to follow along throughout the week, make sure you guys go to the social medias, pay attention to all the Instagram stories. If not, follow the Discord. Make sure you're in the Discord. The Discord, I'm always active, answering all the questions all the time. There's other people like AJ that you guys could ask questions to that are always going to be able to answer them for you, lead you to the right place. A lot of people come all back all the time. So if you guys just ask a question in the chat section, you guys are definitely going to HFT bots are also accepted. Yes, we're going to do stuff with HFT bots. That's exactly what I'm going to be doing. David's always here when I stream. I fucking love that. David, make sure that you message me on Instagram to FXPeso. It makes it a lot easier. I will be able to Venmo you. I'll be able to Zelle you. I'll be able to crypto you. I'll be able to buy you the account if you want, and then I can send you the credentials or whatever. We can do whatever you want. Thank you guys for dropping all the likes also, boys. Look at that. You guys ran it up to 76. That is fucking beastly, you guys. GJ is finally going. We have not seen... hopefully also for everybody who actually bought a challenge messages me, because if anybody who bought a challenge to do this thing with me, I want to make sure that we do this a little bit more serious. I really want them to get their challenge passed. So I told them to DM me so I could organize a little small chat where I could make sure I'm very clear about what we're doing to everybody. So whenever we're in situations like this where I'm talking to a whole group of people on YouTube Live, it's a little bit more personal with the people that are trying to take it a little bit more serious. Let me see. I can't even see my chat right now. I've not read it in a while. We got thank you. Congrats, David. Thank you, bro. You're the man. I'm always here in stream. Yes, you have, Dave. Nations Trading also allows HFTs. Hallelujah. Killing it. We about to catch a nice trade, boys. I love these live streams, bro. AJ, thank you for always coming, brother. You're literally a part of the fucking stream, brother. The stream is not the same without you. At all. At all. Stream is not the same without fucking AJ. Wow, these 4 hours just barely started breaking. All right, so the 4 hours started breaking resistance, exactly where I did not want it to break, through the fact that I think that the bullish bias is gonna play out. If the bullish bias plays out right away without retracing, I'll be mad, but most likely we're gonna get a huge retracement at one point. If not, so let's just pay attention to this to see if we get the retracement pretty soon. Guys, so usually for this FTMO challenge, because this whole next few weeks, I'm very focused on the FTMO challenge on my signals. Usually we've been focused on the spreadsheet and just catching a good win streak. Now we are actually focused on the FTMO challenge. So I'm going to be talking a lot about the FTMO challenge for people who join, don't know really what we're doing here. Not a lot of people. I've never seen a live trader go and pass his FTMO challenge with everybody live. Never seen that. Never seen that, and I don't know why. Maybe I didn't even know who Luca Trades was or whatever the fuck. So maybe it's just because I pay attention to myself only. But I've never seen somebody do that. You have 2 Instagram accounts. I have FXPeso, which is my personal account. DM me on my personal account for anything that has to do with me giving you money, anything that has to do with me offering you a service. I could check both accounts. I always run into both accounts. Now, it's easier for me to receive messages to my personal account due to the fact that I have other people that help me run the Bullish Lifestyle account. So if you guys want to message me, come find me at Bullish Lifestyle account. Come find me. I said come find me. Thank you. Guys, look at AJ in the chat. You guys will be able to see my accounts on... Dude, freaking AJ. God damn, dude. This guy's a beast. Fucking love you, AJ. All right, GJ started. All right, so we are finally 3 hours into London session, and we are finally getting somewhat volume on GJ. If you guys see, they have the reversal wedge that actually looks like it's starting to play out a little bit. I'm hoping for price to retrace now, give me a little break and retest. If it comes in retest, we're for sure taking the snipe. We are for sure taking the snipe. Now, I don't know how much longer I want to stay on stream, because I didn't get to finish my point, because we're going to be focused on the FTMO challenge a lot this week. We're going to be really focused on just hopping on a trade, and if I know that it's not going to be a trade, we're not going to take any... bro, roller coasters be wildin'. Why roller coasters? Am I the roller coaster? So we're not going to be hanging out in here way too long. Like, for example, I kind of gave the hint already that I don't really want to take a trade up until I see a clear price action. So realistically, if this was Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, and we weren't introducing this whole challenge to everybody, I would have told you guys, we're not taking a trade today, and if we do, I'm going to message the private group, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You think you might be a fake out before going bearish? 100% it could be a fake out before going bearish. Now, the more momentum this candlestick has with it being so early, like for example, it's a 1 hour candlestick, and there's only 20 minutes left there's 20 minutes only into the candlestick. All that bullish momentum is kind of giving me the hint that it's not a fake out. And also the fact that our realistically bullish, we're very bullish on GJ. It did look very bearish, though, I'll give you that. So maybe it was the bear fake out, but that looks clean. And targets look like it's going to hit the 90% rule and hit at least minimum 171,900. 172 looks like it's going to get hit.
I know life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. Yo, guys, you guys need to tell Luca, what's this guy's name? Luca what? Luca No Limit? So, I'm not sure if you guys got to see the full part where Dr. Dollar starts talking about how bullish lifestyle got him into trading. Bullish lifestyle, FX Peso, me being. That was all in the, you guys have to go to like the 8-minute section. What I was gonna say next is, boys, first, we need to give fucking thanks to Dr. Dollar that we're here with everybody here, because Dr. Dollar gave me a little boost, giving everybody a little indicator of what the fuck to do with me. Dr. Dollar is the GOAT, is the all-time GOAT. I fucking show all my, I love the dude. I've known him my whole life almost, and Jesus Christ, I love the dude. Luca No Limit, I want to be on a podcast, bro. I want this guy to fucking, he joined my stream and said, what's up? How come he didn't tell me what's up to my Instagram, and how come he don't follow Bullish Lifestyle or he don't follow FX Peso? What is that? What is that? So he watching, he lurking, but he you know, he need to make a move, because I ain't gonna make the first move. Fuck! Look at GJ. So whenever you guys talk to Luca No Limits, just be like, yo, FX Peso and you got a meeting to do, bruh. And I'll hop on here and I'll spit some game, and I'll mention the small gang we got going on here. We got my dog John, we got the Human Project, Blodge, AJ obviously, fucking Mateo, Jay De La Javi, Kate, Hood Gabbit, Muhammad. Ooh, I've not seen Neil before. I haven't seen Babbitt, met Bad Habit, James Crown. But we got a lot of new people in here, guys. If you guys are new in here, you guys are still paying attention. Who's new here? Who's this first time in this live stream? Whose first time is it in this live stream? Goddamn, don't you know? I start forgetting how to speak at this time. It is 6 in the morning. We trade Forex. I am new here. Well, I apologize that I've had you guys looking at this chart doing nothing. I only take really one trade a session, so one trade a night, a session a night really just depends on what the fuck. But damn, we got a lot of new people. And to the people that are new, how did you guys find the? Damn, we got a lot of new people. And to the people that are new here, how did you guys find the stream? Just like, how did you guys run into my stream? Did you guys just see it on the YouTube algorithm, or because of Instagram? I'm just wondering, because I want to know what's working. Dr. Dollar, the king. W Van Post. Van Post for real, brother. GJ hit his teeth. Yeah, Van Post said that he had like dude, Van Post be high-key hitting trades left and right all the time. I think last stream, the AJ, am I not mistaken, Van Post was going off. Like he caught like the whole ass sell. Hello, if we start the challenge with a 50K account and it is increased by 5K, should the daily loss percentage be calculated based on 50K or a 55K? Base it on your 55K. You'd base it on the 55K basically. First time here, YouTube algo just suggested you. He was, bro's insane. Yeah, Van Post, you're a fucking beast. And thank you. The YouTube algorithm is doing a great job. Well, I promise you guys, if this is your first time here, you guys have been brought to the correct place. There's a fucking lot of traders out there that do not do live trading. Let me tell you that. They hop on live and they'll tell you, we gotta buy above here, we gotta sell above here, and then they'll probably take another trade if they lose that one, and then I don't know where you guys miss out on that trade. With me, it's very straight, simple. If we have not taken a trade today, you most likely will see that one trade. If we take that one trade, we're off. We're not even gonna be here fucking around. I only take trades that I really think are gonna hit, so I'm not really taking a trade today right now. Like I'm not like, oh, I need to take a trade for these people watching my stream, so I'm gonna take a random buy. So everything that I take is coming out of my real money. I'm not gonna be trying to take random fucking trades just to get you guys a trade. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. If there's no fucking trade to take, there's no trade to take. It's that simple. I'm not gonna get complicated with things here. Yeah, because I used to run into that when I first started mentoring a long time ago. I kind of ran into that problem a long time ago. I used to mentor before I just said a fuck mentoring, and I went a whole year and a half. I'm a full-time trader. I've been trading for 4 years, 5 years. I've learned off Daniel Savage, Lambo Raul. I don't know, everybody you could think of that's in that generation of traders. What TP? I think they're talking about Van Post. Van Post, what TP? Van Post just barely hit TP. Van Post probably took a trade of like around 171, 500 area. Duncan, were you about to reach 70 viewers, bro? I think I was about to reach 70 viewers. Duncan, we're about to reach 70 viewers. Yeah, so we are about to reach 70 viewers. For those who are new though, yeah, this is the trading log you guys can find in my Discord section. If you guys go to the Discord, you guys will be able to find this in the trading section. All the trades that I send here onto the, every trade that I send to the Discord, I put it here in the spreadsheet so you guys can see. In April, we only took 13 trades. So there's 20 trading days in April. We clearly missed 7 of them. You could consider 4 Fridays we didn't trade, and then maybe 3 out of the 4 Mondays we didn't trade or something like that. In May, we have took 13 trades already, and there's still freaking a whole trading week left. So it really just depends on what the market's presenting to us, whether we're taking a lot of trades. If you guys want a spreadsheet like this where you guys can literally click the drop down of the session, click the drop down, make sure you guys go to the Discord section, and then you guys go to spreadsheet, and then you guys will be able to find in the second link, you guys will find a spreadsheet where you guys can download and put your own stuff. Look at this members analysis. I'm so sorry for not saying this. GJ hit. Look at, dude, Van Post be doing this. Last week, Van Post did the same shit. Look at this. Where's Van Post here? Van Post slaughtered it over here. And then Van Post slaughtered it over here. Dude, Van Post, what's your Instagram, bro? Let me get the signals. I could have sent the signal here to this group right now. We would have been up for the day. So the signals have been doing very well, and a lot of people told me that they want me to pass their challenge for them and they want to do a whole thing. So I decided to do a new little series this week. Up to the moment, it does not look like we were taking a trade for the first trade. I think I want to take it when everybody understands what we were doing. Everything is clear now. Everybody understands how the pip count's going to be. Everybody understands the dynamic of it. I'm going to create a little small group chat for everybody who's doing the FTMO challenge pass with me and they're doing it serious. I can communicate with them every time we're going to do something. Like if we're on live, I want to be able to communicate to them on my phone and be like, hey guys, we're getting ready to do that, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. I don't know. I need to be able to talk to people private. So we're setting up the whole thing logistically so it can actually work. But I'm going to literally be showing you guys the lot size I am taking. I'll be showing you guys the trade everything way. We're literally gonna try passing the challenge all together. Yeah, so that's kind of the gist of what's going on here on this stream. Thank you guys for fucking joining. Make sure you guys drop the like. We do giveaways all the time. We've done already in the last 3 weeks, we've done already 6 giveaways. So we always do 2 giveaways every fucking 4 days, 5 days. Sometimes it's $100 giveaways, sometimes it's $50 giveaways. Duncan, I sent you a message on IG. I just got 100K to support the buys. Wait, what? Duncan, I sent you a message on AE. I just got 100K to support the boys. You just got a 100K challenge also, AJ? Damn, cuz everybody's a part of this thing now. I'm feeling the pressure. I'm just kidding. There's no pressure, boys. We're going to do this shit, no problem. I have been in buys for a while in GBPJPY. You say it is going to keep on going up, or should I close? If you're in GBPJPY and you've been in for a while, brother, I think you should go to sleep. Let that shit run. If you've been in GBPJPY for a while, definitely let that shit run. So when I'm looking at GBPJPY, man, we look at all these highs that we broke already. I think we could get a new big retracement, as in the new 4-hour candlestick that's going to open way later, or this could come down and retrace here, and then we could do another low candlestick and maybe range around here. By the end of New York session, I definitely see us reaching, 172s. I think we're going to go a whole 100 pips before New York session. Duncan is like Goku in final form. AJ, did you purchase a new challenge? AJ, where you be pulling out all this money from, bro? You only 19 years old. How much money you got, bro? What you be doing? What the hell you be doing? I think you need to do exactly what I did last time and start showing them bank statements. Last stream I had people, who was it? There was somebody talking, she was like, oh, I don't know. You said like, show me your trade. I was like, bitch, I'll show you my bank account, bitch. That'll be the proof behind my trade. I don't need to show you guys my fucking trade. I was about to only send it to AJ and I was like, fuck it, I'll send it to the whole fucking group. I'll show it to the whole live stream. And what did we get out of that? I have not had a less than $10,000 month in the last few years. Price picks, I'm a few other price picks and a few other things I'm running. Damn, AJ be really moving them boats. All right. Free chat. Let's see what the hell. Thank you for the 5K giveaway. David, I already saw your message on Instagram. I have not opened up any messages on Instagram while I've been on the live stream due to the fact that we are on the live stream. Yeah, I hope. So we got, all right, if we pass the challenge, how much can you lose on a 100K account before you blow off the account? We need to do, I mean, it's the same thing. You can only lose, what is it, 10%? But you can only lose 5% max in a day. Hood Gabbett said 10K. Oh, I think he was answering the question. I thought you guys were talking about, bro, can you look at Euro USD? Euro USD.
Damn, dude. All these pairs are starting to move. Shit's picking up. Alright, so a lot of bearish price action. Well, the only thing we really need to look at here is that this daily is completely wick filled the previous daily to the left. I think price action might start retracing right now due to the fact that it's pretty overextended, but I think we're ending at 1.083999 around this level. We're reaching the previous daily resistance over here. Especially now that we broke all these highs, I think we're going to keep on pushing bullish. Now, do I think it's a good time to hop in and buy right away? No, I think we need to wait for a little bit of a retracement to be able to hop in. But yes, I like buys on Euro USD. Oh, Euro USD sells at 1.0. Oh, my bad. Let me see one more second. Euro USD. Like I said, I think prices we're gonna have a short-term retracement, but we're pretty much bullish. Depends. Are you trying to scale up the account? Wait, when are you withdrawing with a funded account? How much do you want to withdraw? Actually, how much money do you usually leave in your account? Well, because it's freaking FTMO accounts, I always just withdraw everything on profit. I haven't traded a live account in the last few months, maybe like 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. And when it comes down to live account, I've never really deposited such a big amount where I'm like, oh, I haven't deposited 20 grand where I make fucking 5 grand out of nowhere, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna take the whole pot. Everything's just like the only live accounts that I've ever had have flipped like from 3,000 to like fucking 6,000, 7,000, and once I start reaching that limit right there, I just go back to like 4,000, 5,000, and then you start losing more. So I don't really ever remember my biggest withdrawals on live accounts. Everything's just, sometimes I withdraw a lot, sometimes I withdraw a little. It's just about trying to keep the account surviving, never below your initial deposit. So if I imagine my account starts with $3,000, now I get it to $6,000, I'll probably take out $2,000, leave it at $4,000, take out half the profits. I'll never throw myself all the way back at $3,000, and I never want to be trading under $3,000, especially if I know I opened that account with $3,000. And that goes to the same with all the separate accounts that I've opened before. Whether I open up a $500 account, I'm never going to want to go underneath 500. Everything above 500 is profits to wins. If most people do withdraw, if not most people just withdraw most profits. Yeah, exactly. Like I said, you just withdraw most profits. Just make sure you don't withdraw what you deposited, because then you're going to end up depositing again. All right, Blodge, you can withdraw all the profits you gained. You gained 80 to 80% profit split. Maybe I wasn't understanding what Blodge was asking, so thank you guys for helping out him if you guys did understand. Guys, I bought a $350 new fucking headset, and the goddamn thing's a little bit too advanced for me to fucking know how to use. Steel Series, I don't know what, wireless, shit's fucking garbage. GJ right now, 90%. Guys, do you guys love this 90% rule that I always fucking show, or what? This 90% rule is OP as dick. 90% rule always plays out. Have you guys seen my 90% rule reels, or you guys are not too big of fans of me? On Instagram, you guys only like taking my trades live on YouTube. I have some great 90% rule reels. Probabilities are not scared. Look, I have one right here. It popped up right off the bat. Oh.
We're gonna lose, and we're not gonna take any more trades, because when people start over trading is when they start losing. Statistically, the more trades you take, the more chance you have of losing.
That's not even a 90% rule. This one.
We are in this trade. As you can see, we have a descending wedge. We had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches. Entered our trade right here at a little bit of a resistance. Still have a generous stop loss. Huge 30-minute candlestick flip from bearish to bullish. Now we just need to be patient. I want you to remember that we do this live. I want you to remember that we do this live every night. Literally, we do this live every night. The reversal pattern played out. This is why it's my favorite reversal pattern.
What? I'm not understanding what's happening in the comments. Hey, yo, pause, my guy. Bro's moving different. I don't know what did I say? What the hell did I say? Blodge, your idea is good. It's a choice of a security not blowing the account. Facts, Paulo. I know I wasn't the only one who heard what. What the hell did I say, AJ? AJ, you gotta be my man protecting me. You see people talking shit about me, you gotta fucking boot them. You hear me say something negative, you gotta make sure you cut it out before I say it again. Anything negative about me, you gotta make sure you protect the image. So don't repeat what I said if I said something. What the hell would I have said?
OP has... No way. Yo, Pablo and AJ, only you both caught that, bruh. That's y'all dirty minds. OP is attachment. Jesus Christ. Alright, well that retest is coming, guys. Fuck. Interesting. Bro's moving different. You guys are funny. Oh, look at that. We gained a new follower on Instagram. Somebody liked the little Instagram that I was showing you guys. Bullish Lifestyle on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow Bullish Lifestyle on Instagram. We're always dropping great content. And then if you guys want to follow me on my personal account, you guys can just look at the disco, the description of the disco. And then you guys, if you guys have got any golfers in here, oof. I've been working on my golf swing. Look how compact that looks right there, boys. Stop playing. Stop fucking playing. What we got right here? Sheesh. Boys, them edits. Them edits. Stop playing with them edits. Tell me you guys don't like them edits, boys. Yes, thank you, AJ. I'm gonna have to put you on the salary. I will give you something a month at least for your efforts. Duncan, check members analysis. Check the trade I sent a day ago. Members analysis. Guys, if you guys ever want me to check what you guys are analyzing, what you guys are trading, what you guys are doing. Young AJ, nice pullback, so clean. Jesus Christ. So that's kind of like what we're looking at right now, what we're trying to get. What did you trade this on? Damn, boy. That boy went through drawdown. Or was that no drawdown? Did you went through drawdown in that trade? Daily is breaking new levels. Guys, we're in the middle of a range. I'm going to have to start calling it a night. We're going to do this FTMO challenge this week. We're not going to take our first trade right now. I do not think I'm going to, if I send a signal, I will send a signal to the group chat, guys. So I'm going to send a Discord, I'm going to send a signal tonight to the Discord group. I might send it very soon. Now, this is not the trade for FTMO challenge. We do not take the FTMO challenge trades out of the Discord challenge trades. I know you guys want to get your first trade in today. I promise you it's probably not the best idea. Even if it goes bullish, let's let the first day happen. Let's let the weekly candlestick choose its direction. And after that, we're going to be able to get our cushion and get our trades in. I'm going to add you to the group chat. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to make sure I work out all the logistics of if you guys purchase an FTMO challenge. I'm going to right now go on my Instagram. I'm going to pay out the people who won the giveaway. I'm going to fucking grab a little group and make sure that everything is set so we could perfectly do what we need to do. I don't want to rush anything. I want everybody to perform to their best ability. Thank you guys for coming and watching the stream. If we send a Discord signal, make sure you guys do not take that on the FTMO account. Simple, super simple. Should not be taken on the FTMO account, no matter what. Thank you guys so much for fucking and dropping for coming in and dropping likes on the stream and showing support and being a part of the giveaways. Shit means the world when you guys are here. I promise you we're gonna have a great motherfucking trading week. Great trading week. Make sure you guys drop a like. We have 81 likes, boys. I think that's almost the most amount of likes that we've had. Make sure you guys join the server or Bullish Discord or Bullish Discord, Bullish Lifestyle Discord servers where we send all our signals. Frank, my boy, thank you for your time also. I love the attention of your guys' time. It's a mutual thing, boys. I come, you guys come, and I literally feel like it's a mutual thing. I'm happy to be here as long as you guys are happy to be here. I appreciate you guys coming just as much as I do. I promise you guys that. Yeah, boys, make sure you guys check out this little podcast. Make sure you guys show love to Dr. Dollar when you guys get to see him. FX Pablo. Pablo, I got my headset working. Well, I bought my headset specifically so I could have you, I could have AJ, I could have certain people talk to me on Discord whenever I'm on these live streams because it gets kind of hard to just be the only one in this bitch. So you already know I'm always going to be here. I clearly know that you're always going to be here. Not like clearly always know you're always going to be here trading, not here in my stream. But whenever you want to come talk, I'm going to figure out my headset. I turned on the stream and my headset wasn't working. It was just doing crazy ass echo, so I had to turn it off. Boys, get yourself a spreadsheet trading log. Send me a screenshot that you guys are using it. I'll fucking repost it. I hope it was. I mean, it wasn't the best of the best stream. We're getting ourselves organized for the rest of the week.
I do see a beautiful break and retest. If anybody is really looking for a trade, they're upset that I have not sent a trade and they feel like they're wasting their time watching me, guys, the break and retest of this right here. I'm getting ready to send a trade very soon. I need some more constant confirmations. We have 4 minutes for the 15-minute candlestick to close, right? 15-minute candlestick is going to close. New 15-minute candlestick is going to open. If the new 15-minute candlestick opens and start making a low with no high, I'm hoping for it to make a bottom wick, and then we're going to start trying to catch the candlestick flip. That's kind of the plan that I have. And that's the idea I have up to the moment. We're losing streamers and streamers more by the time we keep on saying bye to everybody. Hi everyone, I missed Dominique Abels. We're ending the stream just a little bit early due to the fact that we are starting an FTMO challenge with everybody. I'm going to be taking my trades with everybody and stuff. I'm going to be showing you guys how much I'm taking, and right now I do not see any setup for us, so I might just send a trade to the Discord server. It is Monday. There's no news, not a lot of volatility. Price has been ranging. We're hopping back into the range. Therefore, I'm getting ready to end the stream and get some rest. While we'll still be sending a signal to the Discord server does not mean that you take it on your FTMO challenge that we are passing together. If you're taking an FTMO challenge that you're passing with me, make sure you DM me personally so I can add you to a personal group where we'll be able to manage all our trades together. We're going to manage them live, obviously, but I just wanted a personal group where I can message everybody who's really, were you looking to buy GJ, bro? I am looking for GJ to come back down and retrace so we could actually look for a buy. We kind of on the 4 hour already broke some really important levels of market. Like these are really important levels. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore because of how tired I am. We're retracing at major resistance, but that retracement is probably just the break and retest of this little level right here. I think we could come retest and then come start targeting the 172 areas. With candlestick confirmation, obviously, it doesn't mean just hopping to buy right now. If you're hopping in to buy right now, make sure you're having double this stop loss. So you need like a fucking 40 stop loss. Not yet. No trade yet. Right now, maybe if we throw a Fibonacci from bottom to high, yeah, dude, we need to wait for a retracement. We're not even near our 2-3. We're just barely getting to our 236. Another morning stream. I will be very early, guys. It is 6. No way, dude. The sun is out. I didn't even notice the sun is out, boys. We've been here for 3 hours. I'm gonna be having long. I mean, we're here streaming every single night, brother. We're here every single. He says, "Stay with it." We waited for this trade, boys. You really wanna? It's so hard for me to say no to you guys. Let's be patient and see what happens. I mean, price looks like it's still retracing. Price looks like it's still retracing, and it kind of gets me scared that look at the daily. Daily is flipping bearish again. I remember how there was somebody in the chat says, "Hey, what if that's the chance that was the fake out for 100 likes? You think we'll get 100 likes before the stream ends? Get away. Get out of here." 85, dude. You guys are insane. Dude, you guys are insane. You guys are gonna bring a tear out of my eyes. I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm kidding. What was I saying? I was talking about something. Completely forgot. Let me close out this Nightbot. AJ, watch a video on the Nightbot. Why isn't my shit working later on? I mean, I'll watch a video, I guess. What was I saying? I don't even know what I was saying, boys. It's late as fuck. It's late as fuck. I was saying that I stream every single night. Every single night we are here. Every single night we are here for London session. We trade every single night. 87, no problem. This is one of our largest. Thank you guys for everybody. Dude, this is one of our largest streams. And this is not even with somebody coming and pumping our stream up. Guys, if you guys get to see Luca trades, Luca whatever, make sure you guys be like, oh, Duncan says he fucking loves you, etc., etc., etc. Peso, Duncan, I don't know what you guys like calling me. We trade every single night. Make sure you guys come every single day because we are going to catch some fucking bangers. We're passing this FTMO challenge with everybody, and we're going to show fucking traders what a real trader does. Because I've never seen a fucking guru do this, and I know I can do this. I know I can help you guys pass the challenge. I know I'm going to get more than at least 2-3 challenges passed while you guys take the same lot sizes as me. Use my strategy. We should be fine. We've had a great month of April. We're having a great month in May. There's no way we don't finish it out strong. And if we don't finish it out strong, we'll be able to start out June very strong due to the fact that we're going to have huge candlestick openings, a lot of volatility coming, CPI, a whole bunch of news. I have great feeling for this, boys. Great feeling. Now, let's look at what's happening. 15-minute. All right, new 15-minute candlestick. Nope, that's not the 15-minute candlestick. Right there. All right, 15-minute candlestick needs to make a low. Let's see if it makes a low. And then a good trade for anybody who's really trying to be aggressive right now would be the flip of this 15-minute count. No, not yet. I don't like this flip. I need it to go even lower. How many likes have we got real quick? 86. Wow. I love it. People just dislike whenever they 85. All right, boys, I'm gonna get ready to end the stream. If you guys pay attention to the Discord, it's hard for me to talk right now. The sun's coming out. It's fucking late as fuck. Pay attention to the Discord if you guys want to see the next signal I will send. We have been doing members analysis. Thank you, Duncan, for the 5K giveaway prize. I hope to turn this into $1 billion, guys. Make sure you guys message me for if you guys want the giveaway. I'm gonna give away the giveaway stuff. I'm gonna create the groups that we need. I'm gonna make sure that we are here every single night this week to slaughter the charts. 15-minute count step. Look, it's gonna flip bullish. Might be a little good buy indicator. Let's go buys. He goes. I'm not gonna call any buys right now. I think being patient is gonna pay off. Look, we're in the middle of a range. We've been in the middle of a range. If we break out of this range, yeah, we're gonna probably fly. I mean, buys aren't horrible. I like buys more than sells. I like buys way more than sells. So if I had to choose one, I'd choose buys, definitely. Anything else I could think of? I can't think of anything else, boys. I'm going to try getting some rest. I'm going to send a signal when I lay down. I'm going to add the groups. Guys, FTMO challenge, we're passing this week. So if you guys still haven't purchased an FTMO challenge, or if you guys want to try at least trade your live account or your live FTMO challenge, message me for some if you guys need to be able to clear up some doubts that you guys have. I just barely purchased my FTMO challenge. No trades taken. It's a 100K account. I'm going to be letting you guys know the lot sizes. I'm going to be letting you guys know everything. So thank you guys so much for coming to the stream. You guys are fucking amazing. I'm going to start ending it now. 15-minute count. Let's take a look. It's going to flip bullish on GJ. Still anything could happen. We're in the middle of a range. Not a lot happening. Thank you guys for being a part of the stream. AJ, I fucking love you. AJ, you're the best. Thank you so much. Everybody else, you guys are also awesome for fucking coming and see. Take it easy, boys. Love you. Make sure you guys message me if you guys need anything. I will answer, personal or bullish lifestyle. Just let me know.